I have instruction to withdraw the petition with the liberty to file it.
Item number 10. Mr. Heard, Mr. K. Mazumdar, Learned Counsel, appearing for the petitioner. Also heard, who's there for Agricultural Department and Government?
I can appear for government.
Ms. Barwa, huh? Mr. So to withdraw the allowed.
Liberty may handle.
At liberty.
May I please? Well, with due consent from the respondent, my lord, I'm mentioning item number 25, my lord. This matter may be taken up after 4 weeks, my lord. Some instruction will come, my lord.
I don't give out a disciplinary. 25, the transfer matter. On the prayer of Mr. B. Barwal, Learned Counsel, appearing for the petitioner, the matter stands adjourned to such and such date to enable the petitioner to obtain further instruction in the matter.
May I please, my lord? 13, I will be not.
Yes, next. You take the date from him.
45, lord. I'll list the matter before the appropriate bench, lord.
40.
5.
Your name?
GG Gogoi.
As prayed for by Mr. G.G. Gogoi, list before the appropriate bench.
May I please, your lordship, with the consent of the other side, I beg to mention item number 2, 3, and 4. Lordship may kindly pass over the matter for the day. Lord.
2.
3 and 4.
Why? Why?
Some difficulties today, lordship.
What difficulty? And Mr. Counsels, please, when you see some senior counsels are waiting to make a mention, first give way to them before you
No,
jump the gun.
I have asked him you do.
Oh.
Because I am
Yes.
in that case.
Oh, you are there in that
Other
case.
in our respondent.
2, 3, and
4, my lord.
2, 3, and 4. You have any objection?
No, I have got to, but it will come up next week, madam.
As prayed for by Mr.
H.J. Tamuli, my lord.
A.
H.J. Tamuli.
You are for whom? For the respondent.
Respondent.
H.J.
J. Tamuli.
H.J. Tamuli, Learned Counsel, appearing for the respondent on the ground. Why?
Today is some difficulty.
On the ground of personal difficulty, which is not opposed by Mr. S.C. Biswas, Learned Counsel, for the petitioner, relist on next date on such and such a date.
May I please, may I please, your lordship, I would like to mention item 7. Adjourn this matter and fix this matter after 1 week.
Item 7.
7.
You are supposed to file your rejoinder. What has happened?
My senior sir is out of station.
I'm not bothered about your senior being in station or out of station. What is the position of your rejoinder? Are you going to file a rejoinder or are you not going to file a rejoinder? Why do you don't have the basic information when you stand before this court?
Actually, I am.
You wait, let the matter be called, find out from your senior whether you are filing a rejoinder or not.
Adjourn this matter.
I said you wait for your turn. Don't leave the court premises. In the meantime, you find out from your senior whether you're going to file any reply or not. We will adjourn the matter, but I want that information. Have you followed?
Yes.
Is there any difficulty in understanding the language that the court is speaking? Yes.
Lordship, with the consent of the petitioner, I beg to mention item number 11, Lordship. Lordship, I am appearing for respondent number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 8, and 9. Lordship, actually, we have some difficulty today. So may I pray to take up this matter on Monday?
Upon the prayer of Ms. R.R. Kakati, Learned Counsel, appearing for respondent number 8 and 9, have you taken consent from the other
Yes, I
side?
am for the petitioner.
Which is not on the ground of difficulty, you said? Personal difficulty, which is not opposed by MS.
Miss D. Bora.
D.
D. Bora.
Bora, Learned Counsel, appearing for the petitioner, relist on such and such date.
2nd March.
Yes.
Please, Your Lordship, I'd like to mention item 32 with the consent of the other side. Some more time is required to get our instruction from the department, Your Lordship.
Upon the prayer of MS,
Tinlu,
Standing Counsel Water Resource,
on behalf of RM Das.
RM Das, Standing Counsel Water Resource, relist on such and such date to enable the department to complete instruction and place the same by way of return.
My lord, there is interim in this matter.
And prayer is not opposed. Your name? Swens T. Wapangla.
My lord.
And interim, if any, shall continue till the next day of listing.
Yes, please, your lordship. Or should I beg to mention item 42, lordship?
42.
Due to some personal difficulties of the engaged counsel, matter may adjourn for the lordship.
But you wait, I think the service completed or not, that needs to be seen.
Service completed.
Completed?
Yes, lord.
Have you checked?
Yes, lord. Check the-
I am taking it on your face value. Before signing, if I find services not completed, the adjournment will be cancelled. I'm telling you. Your name?
T. Hussain, lordship.
Mr. T. Hussain, learned counsel appearing for the petitioner.
Yes.
It appears that the service is complete. Upon prayer of the petitioner, the matter stands adjourned to such and such date.
Obliged, lordship.
For admission, item number 1.
Please, your lordship. So, as for last order, I have sent him the communication. He has not responded to our communication. Lordship, it can be presumed that he doesn't want to pursue this matter, my lord. Can we close, your lordship?
How do we close it like that? Where is your letter? Mr. Gautam, na?
Yes, your lordship.
Mr. Gautam, you do one thing, you put it by way of an affidavit. A short affidavit, just file it, just that, enclose that, indicating that pursuant to the order of this court, you had communicated with the petitioner and that a copy has been served, na?
Yes, your lordship. I have the report.
And then they have not contacted you. That part, and then we can proceed from there.
The only problem that I am facing is, lordship, this matter is of 2015, your lordship. My name is not in the cause list also. My Vakalatnama is also.
Whose name is there in the
The
cause?
senior.
It's
TK
all
Mohan.
right. It is all right. You're part of the chamber.
Yes, sir.
So you get it filed through one of the juniors whose name is there. I see Mr. K.M. Mahanta's name is also there.
Yes, your lordship.
He's there in the
Yes,
chamber,
yes,
isn't
yes,
he?
Yes, your lordship. Like your lordship.
Did ya? That as upon the prayer of Mr. G. Gautam, as Gautam, learned counsel appearing for the petitioner, that despite communicating to the petitioner, no instructions have come in the matter. It is advised and accordingly seeks a short accommodation to place the same by way of an affidavit. Prayer is allowed, relist on such and such date. When do you want it after?
A week, your lordship.
Nothing much.
Oblige, your lordship.
In case you want your names to be given, please give it to the court master in an appearance slip.
Item 5.
May please, your lord. In this case, my lord, till now, the respondent has not filed their affidavit, my lord. So that will be necessary, my lord, because the petitioner is rendering the services.
Regularization.
Well,
Who's there for the department?
PNRD, my lord.
Yes, where is PNRD?
Hmm?
Anyone there for PNRD? Mr. Dhar? Who's there in PNRD?
Core is the senior standing counsel.
Who?
Kubut Core, my lord.
Hmm?
Kubut Core.
But earlier also PNRD. Where is he? Find out. Mr. Das, can you wait for some time? Because let us see if we can, unless the affidavit comes, it will be difficult. So that is why if someone is present, we can pass some effective order to ensure that the affidavit is filed.
Item 6.
This is a case of injustice to a specially able person.
Hmm?
It is a case of injustice made by the department to a specially able person.
Specially
Able person.
able person.
In this particular case, petitioner has approached this court from 2007 onwards,
Yes.
and he was selected to the post of LDA in any department as per special drive initiated by the Social Welfare Department for physically handicapped person. In Gwalpara district, he was selected as serial number 1. Thereafter, he was not appointed. He approached this honorable court, and this court directed to consider his case as well as to condone the day's age if it is he overage. Thereafter, Lordship, they have passed a speaking order. And the speaking order, they have said that petitioner case was considered, but in handloom and textile department, vacancy position was rectified. and that is why vacancy has been rectified and he did not come under the vacancy position, so he was not appointed. That speaking order has been challenged by this honor before the Honorable Court, and this Honorable Court set aside the speaking order and again remanded the matter of the authority for appointment, but they have not done. Again, same speaking order has been passed, contempt petition has been filed, contempt petition was closed. Only basis that we have to challenge the speaking order. Again, we have to challenge the speaking order now.
This is now the second time you have challenged that same speaking order.
Speaking order. Now, Lordship will find at page 17.
But what is this, Mr. Dar? Is it
My
the
lord,
same?
my lord, that is the problem, my lord. My lord will come to page 38. This is still standing, this speaking order. This was in compliance to this matter, my lord. Thrice I have made the submission. On the last occasion, this matter was heard at length before a coordinated bench of this court, my lord. Somehow dodged. This question came up again and again that they are, this page 38 still in my lord force. Unless this is challenged, my lord, nothing can be done.
Where is page 38?
In the writ petition, my lord.
This is the second speaking order.
Yes, my lord.
No, but Mr. Goswami have just said that that was set aside. By which order was your
Let me
Uh,
know, my lord.
Page 14, Lordship, speaking order has been challenged.
page?
Page
Page
14 of the writ petition.
14.
1-4.
Page 14 is your prayer.
Where speaking order has been challenged.
No, I'm not saying that. The first set speaking order, what is that date?
Before that, Lordship, can we see?
Give me the date, Mr. Goswami.
Lordship, I am giving a list of dates.
Please give. You show me now in seriatim. Mr. Goswami, you show me in seriatim first page 28. That is, no, page 25. That's your first High Court direction. Let us see that first. Is that the first one?
First one,
No, that is 2014.
2014. There is first order. Case is filed on 2007.
Let's see
WBC
that
court.
order. Page,
Lordship will find at page 26.
yes.
Page 26.
Yes, in view of the above.
In view of the above, without expressing any opinion on the merit of the case, each petition is disposed of with a direction that petitioner shall file a fresh representation expressing all grievances along with the supporting documents before the respondent number 1, Chief Secretary, Government of Assam, within a period of 3 weeks from the today. If such representation is made, the respondent 1 shall consider the case of the petitioner, thereafter dispose the same by speaking order under prevailing law in force, and also considering the vacancy position in this regard. If the
Okay.
petitioners are found,
Then-
where is
Then where is the speaking order?
Lordship will find page,
What is
Page
the
30.
order in page 28?
Lordship,
What is that order?
page 28.
Hmm?
Page 28 is a common order passed by the Honorable Court regarding the same selection process.
Okay, that anyway, then speaking order is at page 38.
Page 38. What has been projected to page 38?
Yes, please read. You are Kirti Mohan Nath.
Lordship.
Yes, please read.
Lordship will find para 4.
Yes.
There are 7 number of grade 4 posts and 18 number of grade 3 posts have been carrying backlog in the Department of Handloom Textile. Out of them, 2 number of grade 3 posts have been carrying backlog in the said department in Gwalpara district, and his name had been found serial number 1 in the select list. Thereafter, the concerned department has recommended the list of physically handicapped persons against grade 3 of Handloom Textile Department from the original merit list prepared during 2005, and the said list has been appeared at serial number 3. Although his name appeared in serial number 3, recommended list, he has not been appointed. Thereafter, writ petition has been filed. Now, I will take your lordship to do observation, page 39.
Yes.
Whereas detailed examination of the above issue raised by the petitioner in the representation file appraised vis-a-vis the relevant records made available following observation have been made. It is a fact that not interviewed in the district social welfare of Gwalpara and his name mentioned in serial number 1 district-wise merit list in Gwalpara district against grade 3 post. However, it is not correct that he was selected LDA against the post. Further, the social welfare department by later dated Iman also circulated the following roster points of different categories, differently able person as part of mandatory obligatory provision, 3% reservation are also prescribed the roster. Now, there are 3. Though Director of Handloom Textile initially announced 7 number of grade 4 posts, 18 number of grade 3 posts as backlog vacancy, Subsequently, in the state level committee meeting held on 10 February 2006, shared by the Director of Social Welfare Department, backlog vacancy was corrected as 1 post of grade 3 post, 3 posts of grade 4 orthopedically handicapped candidates against backlog vacancies by notification iman. They have said that vacancy position has been corrected and it was rectified that 1 post of grade 3 and 3 posts of grade 4. Lordship got it. Now I will show from the document itself. Lordship will find how many person has been appointed. Page 59.
My lord, I just want to say this, this order is not yet under challenge, this is in force.
Good job.
I will be allowed to place my case, then he will place.
Just
Sir.
1 second, Mr. Goswami. Let's go back to that subpara 3 at page 39.
That is Director of Handloom Textile.
Though the Directorate of Handloom Textile.
Textile initially appointed 7 number of grade 4 posts and 18 number of grade 3 posts as backlog vacancies. Subsequently, in the state level committee meeting held on 10 February 2006, shared by the Director of Social Welfare Department, backlog vacancy position was corrected as 1. The vacancy position has been corrected as 1.
Initially, it was 7.
It was 7. Now it is reduced to 1. And grade 3 post,
Yes.
3 posts for grade 4.
And 3 for grade 4.
Or orthopedically handicapped candidates against backlog vacancies by notification imam. So they said that vacancy.
So out of 7, they brought it down to 4.
1.
1 grade 3 and 3 grade 4. Correct?
That's
You are for? You are against which? Grade 3 or grade 4?
As per advertisement, I should not take any post. I should apply. They will select me according to my merit.
So against these 6, you can be
Any post.
Any post.
Not only, I am not applying for handloom and textile. Any vacancy for physically handicapped person reserved in any department.
Okay.
That is a backlog vacancy should be filled up.
That was the advertisement.
That has been advertisement.
You,
I have not
you
sta-
show me the advertisement
Lordship,
in a
right,
while. In a
Lordship.
while, let's finish this first.
Now I'll take your lordship.
1 second. Let's complete this. Accordingly, the government had approved 1 so-and-so and 3 so-and-so for the jury category as per so-and-so. Thus, for appointing only 1 selected candidate in this post, persons, the directorate had to prepare a combined state merit list. So-and-so. Yes. After this, which
Look.
paragraph you were taking me to 8?
Lordship,
No?
now, lordship, the order, this, before that, lordship, page 25 again. Page 25.
Mr. Goswami, I'm just trying to understand. Please bear with
Please,
me.
ma'am.
No. In this speaking order, which is the observation which is going against you because of
Because vacancy position has been corrected to 1.
to 1?
So I could not be accommodated.
1 or 4?
1 in grade 3,
Grade 3.
4 in grade 4.
So that is total 5.
5.
Because you are saying that you are not against grade 3 or grade 4.
No, he is, my lord, harping for grade 3.
So that is why when I asked Mr. Goswami, I'm repeating my question. You are against grade 3 or grade 4?
I am not against any.
Very well. So that means there are total 4 vacancies
4 vacancies.
as per their thing, correct? So I'm taking that.
Lordship.
Initially 7 reduced to 4,
Lordship.
correct?
Lordship.
And now if they bring it to 4, why you cannot be accommodated?
Now, before that, Lordship, kindly see page 59. The person appointed as per honor of the Honorable High Court's order, common order. How they have missed the Honorable Court. Page
Yes.
59. Lordship, page 59, Lordship got it.
Yes.
Now, serial number 14.
Yes.
Arun Vaishnav has been appointed as LDA in handloom and textile. Lordship got it. Now, next one, Parajyoti Das, LDA handloom and textile. Someshwar Doimari, LDA handloom and textile.
Yes.
Appointed as per common order.
Yes.
They have said 1 post only. And this is grade 3 post, LDA.
Yes.
Now, page 63. Arun Ruff, appointed as LDA in handloom and textile.
Yes.
Now, next one, page 16. Prahlad Musahari, LDA handloom and textile.
Where?
Page 60.
60.
Page 60.
60, I am in 60. Abdul Rauf, I've got. Acha, Prahlad.
Rauf.
Yes. Yes. Even Nipen Kolita.
Nipen Kolita, LDA handloom and textile.
Hmm.
Prahlad Musahari, LDA handloom and textile.
Hmm.
Kartik Das, LDA handloom and textile.
All right, till 22, 23,
Till
24,
27.
25,
Till 27.
Very well.
They have said, Lordship, only 1 post has been for LDA. This person has been appointed as per order of this Honorable Court.
Hmm.
Secondly, Lordship will find grade 4, page 62.
Yes,
This is grade 4, Lordship, page 62, grade 4 appointment.
yes.
Now I'll take your Lordship to the page.
According to them, there was only one grade
One
3.
vacancy.
However, they have appointed as many as
9%.
9 persons.
Grade 4, Lordship, you find at page 64. Page 62 is a grade
Yes, how many have they appointed here?
4
Out of 3.
out of 3. Lordship, serial numbers 91, 92, 93, 94.
Serial numbers?
91, 92, 93, 94.
All right, I got it. 91 to 94.
94.
Yes.
These are appointed in Handloom Textile Department. I have also not applied in Handloom Textile Department. I applied for the quota reserved for physical handicap.
Advertisement.
Lordship. Advertisement, Lordship, there is affidavit. I will give the option. Before that, now present speaking order, what has been stated by him. Present speaking order. Lordship,
Where is the advertisement, Mr. Goswami?
That was-
My lord, advertisement is not a part of the written petition.
Not part of records?
Part of the written petition is not there.
Lordship, I have filed an affidavit to that effect.
No, but how come this affidavit? Where do I find this in the pleadings? This you are giving me is a copy.
Lordship, we have.
Where is the advertisement? Because the whole case starts, the root of the thing starts from the advertisement, right?
Lordship, without that also, Lordship.
Mr. Goswami, if the court wants to see the advertisement, I'm asking a very simple
Lordship.
question. If you have annexed it in your pleadings, say you have annexed
No,
it.
no.
If inadvertently or for some reasons you have not brought it on record, say so. You are saying it is a part of an affidavit, then
Lordship.
what is handed over to me is some
Lordship.
loose papers.
One
This is
affidavit
not
has-
record.
Lordship, one affidavit has been filed on Lordship, that has been filed, that is not in the record.
What is not on record?
That affidavit is not on record.
How can that be? When was that
That is
affidavit filed?
why there is an earlier order of this honorable court to place the affidavit on record.
So then say that I cannot proceed. I have taken up the matter on the understanding that it is ready, and that is why I devoted some time. If the advertisement, which is part of the, you see, the whole thing will start from there. If I have to appreciate your argument, I need to know everything. Which is that order?
It was Lordship Justice Nair has passed it.
It was.
You can- To
You see, Mr. Dhar, despite that on 10/12, it is clearly mentioned the matter be not treated as part heard. So there is no need of repeatedly saying that this matter was heard at length before a coordinate bench. Judicial order says.
Why I say.
Now, which is that order? Please answer to the queries that this court is posing. Let us not waste further judicial time of this court. Which is the order, Mr. Goswami, that you mentioned that it has reflected the affidavit?
Justice UK Nair has passed this order on earlier occasion. There are 3 orders, I think.
Anyway, Badya Bhargav Lekha. Heard Mr. S.K. Goswami, learned counsel appearing for the petitioner. Also heard Mr. R. Dhar, learned counsel appearing for the respondent. Upon hearing the matter for brief on appointed query of this court as regards the advertisement in relation of the issue involved in the writ petition, the learned counsel for the petitioner submits that the same has been placed by way of an affidavit. However, it appears that the said affidavit is not part of the record. Let registry verify and place the affidavit on record if so filed. A copy of the affidavit be submitted to the registry's office through the Mr. Your name? Mr. R. Sharma. You give a copy of the photocopy to coordinate with the registry to enable them to place this affidavit on record.
If necessary,
Relist on such and such date.
if necessary, we will file an additional affidavit.
Do whatever you want to do.
Item 7.
Item number? Yes. What is this? This is that matter. You made a mention in the morning,
Yes.
this matter, right? Rejoinder-
Rejoinder not filed, my lord.
Huh?
Rejoinder not.
Are you going to file it or you're not going to file it?
We are going to file it.
See, that is why I asked you to check with your senior. Your name,
Jad Hussain on behalf of
as prayed for by Mr.
Jad Hussain.
Jed Hussain, learned counsel, appearing on behalf of Mr.
HR Chaudhary.
H.R. Chaudhary, learned counsel for the petitioner, relists on such and such date to enable the petitioner to file rejoinder against the affidavit in opposition filed by the central government, by the respondents. And please put the name of Mr. R.K.D. Chaudhary also, huh? Which is, you may say, which is not opposed by Mr. R.K.D. Chaudhary, learned Deputy Solicitor General of India.
Highly obliged.
Yes.
On our behalf, my lord, pleadings are complete on our behalf, my lord. We have filed a affidavit in opposition. They have filed an additional affidavit bringing things on it. My lord may fix it for my lord final hearing.
As per the last order, today was fixed for disposal.
You are Chakraborty? What is the matter, Chakraborty?
Lordship, this matter is about we had challenged the penalty order. A departmental proceeding was drawn up against us. Lordship, subsequently, Lordship, a penalty order was issued against us for a recovery to the tune of 57.5 odd lakhs. And while the appeal was pending, a consequential order was passed wherein we were directed to deposit the recovery amount after superannuation. That we had challenged on the ground that, Lordship, under the pension rules, there is no provision for a direction to deposit the amount. If the penalty order is sustained, that can be recovered from the pension and the DCRG and benefits. But there cannot be a direction to deposit the recovery. And as regards the penalty, Lordship, the departmental proceedings we had challenged.
What do you want, Mr. Borthakur?
I am, my lord, praying that it may be fixed, my lord, for hearing.
But you had already, I think, shall ensure that the additional affidavit is brought on. Is this on record or
Yes.
not, the additional
It
affidavit?
is on record.
And you have already got a copy.
We have,
You want some more time to prepare for
Prepare,
your
yes.
response to that additional affidavit.
No, I just want preparation for hearing, my lord. I'll next step.
So you both are ready for the matter be taken up for hearing?
Yes, sir.
Next week, Paribu? Then episode week. I thought they did about it. Heard Mr. A. Chakraborty, learned counsel appearing for the petitioner. Also heard Mr. I. Borthakur, learned counsel appearing for the department. Upon the joint request of the learned counsels appearing for the parties, the matter is listed for admission hearing on such and such date.
Made to dispose it of.
What do you mean by admission hearing?
Obliged.
Obliged.
Item 9.
Yes, Ms.
So then
Salwa?
the amalgamation order, Lordship.
You have filed your affidavit?
No, Lordship.
You want time?
Lordship, we can file, Lordship.
And otherwise service, what about respond number 8? Who is appearing for 8? Anyone appearing for 8? Service is complete, no?
Lordship, Miss R.R. Kotukki and Miss N. Mohanta and N. Gautam.
Okay, so, but they're not there today. And you will be appearing for respondent numbers?
For response, Lordship, 1, 2, 5, 6, 5 and 6, Lordship. 1, 2, 5 and 6, Lordship.
Okay. Heard Mr.
Pishoike is also here for respondent number 3 and 4. Lordship.
But where is she?
In the cause list, I have.
But do you see her in court? Your name? Heard Mr. R. Hawk, learned counsel appearing for the petitioner. Also heard Ms. R. Barwa, learned counsel appearing on behalf of respondent numbers 1, 2, 5 and 6. None appears for the remaining counsels or remaining parties on call. As prayed for by Ms. Barwa, relist on such and such date to enable the said respondents to file return in the matter. You file your return.
Lordship.
Obliged.
Time being item number 5.
Yes, PNRD.
Yeah.
Yes.
Earlier.
It's a regularization. Why affidavits not filed? 7 years already gone, 6 years have been passed since filing of the writ petition.
Lordship, earlier, Additional Advocate General, PNI was appeared this matter, but today he has informed me that he is not going to appear this matter. So Lordship, from the next step.
So then we will have the respondent in person. Let the state respondent be here in person. Because this matter
no.
cannot go on like this
Lordship,
merrily.
Lordship, kindly a short date may be given, we will reconstruct the file. From the next date we will appear, Lordship.
This is your last chance.
Lordship.
If on the next date
Lordship.
the affidavit does not come, then the respondent shall be before the court personally to respond. I'm making it very clear. It's a regularization matter. 6 years have gone by. It's not a joke. And this court is not concerned with your change of counsels and change of standing counsels.
Lordship.
A litigant is before this court waiting for justice for the last 6 years. Heard Mr. N.C. Das, Learned Counsel, appear assisted by J. Bushaw, Learned Counsel for the petitioner. MS
And Bora.
N. Bora, Learned Counsel, enters is present for. You're appearing for all respondents?
1, 2, 5.
For the respondent numbers 1 to 5 within bracket Didya PNRD department. What about 6? And Mr. They Learned Counsel appearing for number 6. The issue involved in the present writ petition is
For payment of a regular salary, my lord. Fixed pay, my lord.
is for non-release of payment, non-release of regular,
Regular scale, my lord.
not
Pay scale.
release of payment. And then the issue involved in the writ petition is for regularizing the service of the petitioner stroke absolving him against the vacant post of junior engineer civil under PNRD or any establishment with all benefits of which he is legally entitled. Despite lapse of almost 6 years, the return has not been filed in the present writ petition. Today, when the matter is called, MS Borana submits that the earlier counsel will no longer be representing the state government, and she may be allowed a short time to reconstruct the file and do the needful. This court strongly deprecates the manner in which the state respondents have been handling with the instant writ petition. Not to mention, no return has been filed till date. Be that as it may, by way of a last chance, relist on such and such date to enable the state respondents to file their affidavit in opposition, failing which the erring officials shall be personally present in the court on the next date of listing. Didya.
17 of March.
17.
Please, always. In this is departments have to file place instruction laws
Mr. Dev, what is this matter?
regarding the minimum pay of scale laws.
Minimum pay of scale.
Lordship.
Yes, Mr. Sharma, what is your instruction?
My instruction is that the department has endorsed the matter to the finance department. So that instruction is there, Lordship.
So, Mr. Chalya, are you aware?
No, Lordship, I have just received this communication today itself, Lordship.
So you looked into it?
Yes, Lordship.
10 days time will be.
Heard Mr. K. Dev, na?
K.D. Sharma.
Huh?
K.D. Sharma.
K.
D. Sharma.
D. Sharma. Kapil Dev Sharma.
Yes.
K. D. Sharma, Learned Counsel appearing for the petitioner. Also heard Mr. P. N. Sharma, Learned Standing Counsel, Elementary Education Department, and Mr. H. Alia, Learned Standing Counsel, Finance Department. Mr. Sharma submits a correspondence dated What is the date? 10/2/2026, received from the office of the secretary to the government, no, received from the office of the deputy secretary to the government of Assam, wherein the secretary to the government of Assam Finance Department were intimated as regard, no, were requested to furnish the present status for enhancement of fixed wages of the petitioner. Correct. Mr. Chalya, who seeks a short accommodation to obtain instruction in this regard. Okay?
3 weeks time may be granted because Lordship.
Released on such and such date. You take this back and you file it by way of an affidavit. In the meantime, the Elementary Education Department shall place the instruction by way of an affidavit. But Mr. Chalya, you don't wait for that affidavit. I have already said that
Minimum of the pay scale we have received.
whatever, I want it to be on the affidavit to save time.
Number 13. Name may be reflected, Lordship.
Let the name of the Learned Standing Council Finance Department be reflected in the cost list. Item number
13.
Yes.
May I please, Lordship? The issue involved in the case is pending before the Honorable Supreme Court.
Is it, Mr. Chaudhary?
There is a matter pending.
Similar.
But that has to do with a Gujarat High Court judgment.
But the facts of the case is similar.
What is the issue?
We started a recruitment process, and during COVID, we realized that we don't need certain posts. So we abandoned that process, and that is what has been challenged. We abandoned the process way back in 2022. He waited till the Gujarat High Court judgment came, and after the Gujarat High Court
Gujarat High Court is in your favor.
against us.
Is against you.
But that has been stayed by the Supreme Court. Identical matter, Tripura High Court has dismissed.
In your favor. So there is one in your favor, one against you.
The one against us is stayed by the Supreme Court.
And in favor has also been, is before the apex court?
No.
No appeal has filed against that?
No, Lordship, total 309 posts were advertised.
No, that's not my question. The matter arising from the Tripura High Court, is that also has any SLP file in that?
No.
You find that out then? If both the matters are pending, then of course this court will not proceed. If till now there has been no SLP against the Tripura High Court,
Tripura High Court, to our knowledge, no.
you recheck it. I can have this matter fixed on next way.
Your Lordship can have it on a hearing day.
Very well. If that is the position, then I don't see any reason why this court should not go ahead. But at least that observation can be made. You see that.
Otherwise, the law is very clear. It's a matter
Mr.
of.
Chaudhary, if there are two SLP, one in your one, which, you see, in that situation, perhaps we can wait for some time, and otherwise there is no.
We'll check up.
You just check that position. Heard, Mr. R. Dekal, Learned Counsel appearing for the petitioner. Also heard Mr. I. Chaudhary, Learned Senior Counsel, assisted by Mr. S. Chaudhary, Chakraborty, Learned Counsel for the respondent number. Respondent ONGC, and Mr. Goswami is also there?
No.
Stop. Huh? Mr. It is submitted at the bar that there are two judgments, one from the Gujarat High Court and one from the Tripura High Court in relation to the issue in hand. However, the Gujarat High Court, which is against the ONGC department, has an SLP being filed before the apex court. A stay has been granted. On a pointed query as regard whether any appeal has been, SLP has been preferred against the judgment of the Tripura High Court, which is in favor of the ONGC department, though Mr. I. Chaudhary, Learned Counsel for the petitioner, submits that to his best knowledge, perhaps there has not been any SLP preferred till date. However, seeks a short accommodation to verify the same. Prayer is allowed, released on such and such date. Just that information you give, and I suppose you already, both of you must be having copies of those two judgments. If you want, you can give a copy.
These are annexed, my lord.
Tripura High Court judgment is not available.
Tripura High Court is not annexed.
So
Gujarat
you-
High Court is annexed.
You can give me a copy of the Tripura High Court judgment. We'll keep it.
We'll do
A
that.
copy of the judgment, just give that, a copy of Tripura High Court judgment to Sailova is furnished, which is kept on record. Then at least I'll have the occasion of looking into it.
My lord. Your lordship is fixed. Huh?
And which page is your Gujarat High Court?
Gujarat.
Page, just give the page, अनुपम page to Sailova, he go take any details didiba. Duta details kin didiba, huh?
39 to
Page
68.
39.
Okay.
Can it be on 10th of March instead?
Yes, yes, why not? Sailova, take as a 10.
Obliged.
May it please your lordship. Lordship, the matter pertains to notional seniority of the petitioner, lordship.
Yes, Ms. Barwa, matter involves what?
Notional seniority.
Notional seniority.
Lordship.
Yes, who is depriving of the notional seniority? Who is
Lordship.
not giving you?
Lordship, the state of Assam, lordship.
Why?
Lordship, in the gradation list, lordship, may we please to come to the annexure 10, lordship, page number 53, lordship.
Page number?
53, lordship. The petitioner is Utpal Deka, serial number 114, lordship.
53.
53, lordship.
Yes, please.
The petitioner is Sri Utpal Deka. He's in serial number 114, lordship, of the gradation
The
list.
last.
The last.
Yes.
And the prayer is for putting him between serial number 41 and 42, lordship.
To place him between
Serial number 41 and 42.
41
And 42, lordship.
and 42.
Lordship.
This
That
is your prayer.
That is my prayer, lordship.
Okay.
Lordship, an advertisement was issued by the Office of the Deputy Commissioner on 7th of September 2007, keeping 20 posts vacant for the post of junior assistant and 4 posts reserved for the general category, lordship.
Yes.
Lordship, that is the advertisement which is annexed in page number 32, lordship.
32. Yes.
For the post of junior assistant, 20 numbers of posts were vacant, and for general category, 4 numbers were vacant to be filled up, lordship.
Yes.
Out of some of the candidates,
You are general.
general, lordship, general category,
So you come under the fog.
lordship.
Yes.
Lordship, some of the candidates who applied for the post, lordship, filed a writ petition. In the writ petition, an interim order was passed by the Honorable Court, lordship, stating that out of 4 posts, 1 post to be kept vacant, lordship.
Yes.
Out of that means out of 4 general posts, 3 to be filled up and 1 to be kept vacant, lordship.
Yes.
Lordship, the selection committees with the DC as the chairman, lordship, was held on 21st of October 2008, lordship, whereby lordship, the selecting committee, lordship, had taken a decision to fill up 3 posts because 1 post was to be kept vacant by the order of the Honorable High Court, lordship.
Which is that order of the High Court?
Lordship, page number 33, lordship.
33.
Lordship, annexure 2.
All right. And then the decision of the.
Selection committee, lordship.
Yes.
Page number 34 onwards, and the merit list of the selected candidates is in page number
So this
36.
is,
lordship.
it says process of and grade for keeping 3 posts. 3 posts of junior assistants.
Lordship, 3 posts out of 20 posts. There were 20 posts.
So 3 to be kept vacant.
3 to be kept vacant out of 3, 1 from the general category.
But where is that mentioned in the order?
Lordship, it is not mentioned, but it is, lordship. This
is the order you're relying, not
Lordship,
page 33.
33, lordship.
After hearing the so and so to the fact that even if the writ petitioner to be allowed, the writ petitioner can at best fill up 3 posts of so and so, for which 2 of them had submitted application. The interim order is modified to permit the respondents to undertake the process of appointment, keeping 3 posts of junior assistants vacant, to abide by such further orders as may be passed in the writ petition. So perhaps the 3 applicants there, maybe one is general and the others maybe, I think that is why.
Lordship, 3 posts out of 20 posts.
No, I understood.
Lordship.
But you are saying out of that 1 is general, you are saying.
Lordship.
So maybe one petitioner in that case was general. The rest
Lordship.
must have been reserved.
Lordship, maybe.
Perhaps.
Lordship,
Okay. Then
Lordship, the selection committee meeting was held on 21st of October 2008.
Date,
Lordship.
page
Page number 34, Lordship.
34.
34.
Next page, yes.
Yes. And the,
Ms. Barua, I would, you give me page first, then the date.
Lordship. Lordship, maybe please come to page number 36, Lordship, the relevant portion, Lordship.
Yes. Yes.
Merit list of selected candidates for the post of junior assistant. These were the candidates who were selected, Lordship.
Yes.
The selection, Lordship, the
There are
selection.
three general.
General, Lordship.
Yes.
Imadul Islam, Nazrul Islam, and Chandana Thakuria.
Yes.
Lordship, in the selection committee issued the list as merit list, which
Yes.
they ought to have named as final selection list, not the merit list, Lordship. Lordship, I'm making the submission on the basis of the RTI made by the petitioner in page number 37, Lordship. The next page, Lordship.
Yes.
Next page, Lordship.
Yes.
There's a table, Lordship.
Yes.
Imadul Islam, serial number 1. Nazrul Islam, serial number 2. Zakir Hussain, 3. Utpal Deka, 4. And Chandana Thakuria, 7, Lordship.
Yes.
Lordship, through RTI, the petitioner came to know that this is the actual merit list, Lordship. From this, we can ascertain that the total marks obtained by each candidate, Lordship.
Yes.
The merit list which was published is only the selection list, Lordship, not the merit list, Lordship.
No,
In the
because it
previous-
says merit list of selected candidates. So
Lordship.
you mean to say this is the select list?
Final list, Lordship. Final
The
select
word,
list
the nomenclature is
ought to have
not,
been,
may
Lordship.
have been more they could have
Appropriate,
been more
Lordship.
appropriate. It's not as appropriate. But
Lordship.
anyway, it is understood that's the select list
That-
because it says merit list of selected candidates. So these are the selected candidates.
Yes, Lordship.
Okay.
From this, Lordship, we can see that Imdadul Islam, Lordship, obtained 109.7. Nazrul Islam obtained 100.3. Zakir Hussain 98.7. Utpal Deka 96.7. And Chandana Thakur 88.7, Lordship.
Yes. What is the point that you are trying to draw home?
Lordship, that Utpal Deka
Yes.
is placed at serial number 4, Lordship.
Yes.
Chandana Thakuria, being a woman
Yes.
On the category of women reservation, she was
Yes.
appointed in the place of Utpal Deka. We have no difficulty in this, Lordship.
Okay.
As the Honorable High Court, Lordship, had out of 4 posts, 3 posts were to be
Kept vacant.
one post to be kept vacant, Lordship, had appointed Imdadul Islam, Nazrul Islam, and Chandana Thakuria, Lordship.
Yes.
And Utpal Deka was deprived, Lordship.
You are not Utpal Deka.
I'm Utpal Deka.
You are
Lordship.
Utpal Deka.
Yes, I'm going for Utpal Deka, Lordship.
Oh, you are Utpal Deka.
Lordship.
But there is already a stay, that stay is in operation.
Lordship, that stay was vacated later.
When?
Lordship, stay was vacated. Lordship.
So your
Well-
case is that, Ms. Barwan, that after the stay has been vacated, you were not given the
I was given much later, Lordship.
but that benefit.
Yes, Lordship, the benefit, Lordship.
That is why notional.
Lordship. The writ petition was dismissed by
But then that is correct.
So far,
Ultimately, you have to give her because the stay this Utpal Das was was at serial number 4, and he would have got his appointment along with the others at that time itself, but because of the stay, you could not give him. Once the stay was lifted, and that case got dismissed.
Lordship, the writ petition was dismissed.
Dismissed. There was no hurdle. Accordingly, you gave him the appointment. But what about the notional benefits?
now, Lordship, yes, Lordship, the stand of the
Yes, what is the
District
stand of
Commissioner is that it is true that he obtained in paragraphs in page number 59, Lordship, paragraph 6 in my affidavit, Lordship, it is
Yes,
serial number
yes,
6.
yes,
It is that Chandran Dekha was
yes.
selected
Was selected on the basis of women
reservation.
reservation.
Lordship.
Accordingly,
that
she held the
protects
fourth position of the
position
selection list.
select list. That is
That is all right.
what
She is
to
not
expect.
against that. She
Yes,
rightfully
now-
said that she is
now,
a woman.
yes.
She's come in the reserve can.
Yes.
Yes.
Now, Lordship, in page number 60, the paragraphs 11,
Yes.
relevant portion, Lordship. The Honorable High Court subsequently ordered to keep one post vacant in your categories in Miss case so and so, while the appointment committee decided to keep 4 posts vacant across the categories SC, ST, STP, UR, IE. Per category, 1 post to be remain vacant. The petitioner stood fourth in the merit list of the exam conducted for appointment of the junior assistant for the amalgamated establishment of the office of the deputy commissioner Kamrup amalgamated. First 2 candidates of the merit list did not join, while there were 4 number of posts under your categories, and within these categories.
Now those other 3 person in the meantime got promoted to senior assistant.
Yes.
And you are now,
Still a junior assistant,
you're still
Lordship.
junior assistant.
Lordship, no issue regarding that, Lordship. My prayer is only for placing the petitioner in Lordship between 41 and 42, Lordship, so that on the
Between
next
41 and 42, where? In which list?
Lordship, the gradation list,
Page?
Lordship, page number 53, Lordship, 50, Lordship. 50 is a gradation list, the first page, and
It
Lordship,
starts from where?
page 50.
This is the graduation list where you want yourself to be placed.
Lordship, in this
And this is the list for what? For senior?
No, this is not, no, Lordship. Lordship, this is the gradation list where the petitioner is placed at serial number 114, and my period is to place between 41 and 42.
So these are all the junior assistants who shall be now considered for promotion to assistant.
Lordship, on the next promotion, the petitioner will apply for.
So because of your positioning,
Lordship,
you will not, you
Lordship,
will be deprived.
Lordship.
Now you want to come where? 40?
41 and 42, Lordship.
41 and 42. Najrul and
Chandana, Lordship.
in between them.
Yes, Lordship.
And you all have joined almost at the same time.
No, Lordship. They have joined much before me because of the
Oh, okay.
petition.
But otherwise, are they senior?
Lordship, same merit list. They were selected on the basis of the same list, Lordship. Same advertisement, same appointment, Lordship. Because of these.
You have
petitions-
joined as a junior on 21. After the which page is the High Court's order that dismisses?
Lordship,
writ
the writ
petition.
petition, Lordship. Lordship, page number 38, Lordship. Relevant portion is 39, Lordship.
39.
It is 14.
Non-prosecution.
Non-prosecution.
So, and then you were given this promotion when? Appointment 21. 2019.
2019.
Where is that?
Lordship.
Why you didn't know before that?
No, Lordship. I applied, Lordship. It was the department who did not, it was the government who did not allow me, Lordship.
Show me that appointment order.
Appointment order, Lordship. Page number 48, Lordship.
You are referring to that order, that dismissal order.
Lordship, I'm referring to both.
No. In page 48.
2 orders, Lordship. WPC 2504 of 2019, and Lordship, another order, Lordship.
Yes.
Lordship, Justice.
Which is the that non-prosecution order is dated?
That is 2014, Lordship.
Not 14.
Number 39.
Order dated
24th June 2014, Lordship.
here at page 48. What are these order dates?
Lordship, 48.
Right, letter so and so in compliance of Honorable Gauhati High Court's order dated 15/5/19. What is this 15/5/19?
Lordship, the petitioner filed 2 writ petitions.
Hmm.
First is writ petition WPC 1-2 of 2015, whereby the Honorable High Court Lordship crystallized the legal right of the petitioner, Lordship. Lordship, may be pleased to come to page number 43, Lordship.
Yes.
Page 43, Lordship, last two paragraphs. In view of WPC 5607 of 2017, that is the dismissal order, Lordship, which has been dismissed for non-prosecution, all orders passed earlier in the said writ petition would now become void and non-enforceable. As such, the post of junior assistant in the fourth vacancy general category can be filled up as per the marks
Mr.
obtained.
Goswami, since the petitioner is already armed with this and pursuant to this you have given the appointment, then I think the petitioner has the submissions made by the petitioner is of merit. How can you now not place her in that list? Because it was not for any other reason, but because of a stay. That stay is lifted, and upon the stay being lifted, you had not immediately given the promotion which was due to her. The litigant had to approach the court. The court says that for the reasons stated above, the respondents are directed to fill up the post on the basis of the marks obtained by the candidate under general category in the selection process conducted pursuant to the advertisement. So it goes back to that, isn't it? Now, if it goes back to that, then obviously the benefit that the other two candidates have got, the petitioner is also entitled.
That stand was taken, Lordship, and it is admitted that it is to be mentioned that the petitioner had joined on 01/11/2019 due to the pendency of the High Court cases bearing writ petition number so and so. That is admitted.
No, but you are reading from page 60.
61.
61.
61, Lordship. It is paragraphs 11, Lordship. This last portion, also last sentence, Lordship.
What is to be done? I think the matter needs reconsideration. Because the only reason you are saying is not done is because he joined later. This is all you are saying. But he joined later because you did not give him the appointment because there was a stay.
Yes.
The 2509 is that same writ, no? The judgment which you just showed to me.
It's another, Lordship.
What is that?
Lordship, after this, there was a direction of the Honorable High Court Lordship to place in to appoint him Lordship. Still, the state of Assam did not appoint him.
Where is
Lordship.
that order?
Lordship, page number 45, Lordship.
Ms. Barwa, can you do one thing? Page.
Page 47 is the relevant portion, Lordship. Page
47.
45, the order starts, Lordship.
Can you prepare a short list of dates with the pages, the one that you have given, and I'll have this matter tomorrow called out immediately at 10:30 tomorrow after the mentioning, and I'll dispose it off at that time in the court itself. Okay. Heard in part, relist tomorrow. You give me that list of dates.
Lordship. Lordship.
Or a synopsis, whatever is easier.
Lordship.
10:30 is okay, or 2 o'clock?
Lordship, 10:30, Lordship, no difficulty.
Item 15.
Item?
Disseminate is relating to family pension.
Yes.
The husband of the petitioner, my lord, was working as lecturer at DR College, Gauhati. He joined the college in 10/30/2063. He served the college for 23 years, my lord. And he went on voluntary retirement in the year 87. 17 to 87.
He served for how many years?
23 years.
23 years. Regularly appointed.
regularly after being duly seated.
And then he went on voluntary retirement.
Yes, my lord.
Family pension is denied on what ground?
My lord, there was a act, my lord, enacted in the year 2005, my lord. Assam College Employees Provincialization Act 2005.
Mhm.
As lordship will find, my lord. As per this act, my lord, the retired employee,
Where is that act?
it is there in my petition, my lord. Page 6, lordship will find. Page 6
1 second.
of my petition. Mode of pension to the employee who
Page
retired.
6.
6, my lord.
Yes. This is an extracted portion.
Yes.
Is this a disputed position of the law? Yes, you're appearing, Upamanyu.
Yes, Lordship. Lordship, the principal was supposed to furnish some instruction.
My lord, there is an order, my lord. Without the instruction, the case will be heard, my lord. Survey and location time has been granted, my lord.
Because her claim is that similarly situated.
You have received the instruction?
My lord.
What is the instruction?
Second, my lord, the petitioner spell some name, my lord, similar to situated person, my lord, who were given the pension. But the principal informed that there is no such records, my lord, the office.
No such person.
May place, my lord.
There is no information available in respect of the persons mentioned in the letter under reference.
Yeah. Names are indeed.
Yes, Brahman.
So, on merit, lordship may heard.
No, because if what is this the provision of law that section 8? This is from where? From the which act?
2005 Act, my lord.
What is the act's name? I'm asking, Ms.
Assam
Verma.
College Employees Provincialization Act 2005.
Assam College.
Annexed in affidavit in
Ekhon amar nai copy to. Yes. What do you want to show from here?
Employees who retired, died, as the case may be, prior to 1st January 2005, shall be given only superannuation pension or family pension as the case applicable under the existing pension rules of the government. They shall not be entitled to any other. They are entitled to
Family
superannuation-
pension.
Yes, superannuation pension. But at that
Employees who retired, died, as the case may be, prior to 1st January 2005. So you took voluntary retirement when?
87.
Huh?
1987.
87.
Yes.
The date, please.
Date is 17 to 87.
17 to 87. So your whole case is based on this section 8.
Yes, these are thereafter amended, my lord, in 2010. There is
Yes.
provided that payment of such superannuation or family pension as the case may be are subjected to refund of government share of
Where
their
are you, Miss Borman? Go slowly.
Yes,
Why are you in a hurry?
last paragraph of paragraph 6, my lord. Page 6.
Page 6.
Last paragraph.
Yes. Yes.
They are entitled to the pension
Provided that the
that the
payment of
payment-
such pension as the case may be are subject to refund of the government share of the contributed provident fund within 6 months from the full of this act. Yes.
Yes, in 2005, the man was alive, but he could not submit the contributory provident fund because he was sick, my lord. Thereafter, he died in 2008. Subsequently, government amended the act.
Yes.
Section A, my lord, extension of time for refund of the government share of contributory fund.
Where do we get that?
The seven-
Yes.
Page 7. lord.
Yes. Share of
Last-
government fund was required to be refunded. Shall be further exempt a period of 6 months from
Yes.
the date of coming to force of so and so. Yes.
Provident fund was required to be refunded in respect of the retired disease employee under the first proviso to section 8. Shall
Yes.
be further extended up to period of that 6 months was again extended, my lord. And this intermediate period was deemed to be extended. The person died in 2008, my lord. Here also she could not, my lord, file
During the extended period.
period, yes. Thereafter, this act was again extended, my lord, in 2012.
Yes. Yes.
Here, my lord,
Where is it?
page 8, my lord, paragraph 5.
No, but where do we get the extracted position for portion? So there is no time limit now.
No time limit. Therefore, she
This is an
applied.
admitted position, Mr. Upperman. So now there is no time limit.
No time limit.
Initially it was 6 months. No, initially it was
6 months, my lord.
6 months, right?
Yes.
Initially 6 months, then extended to another 6 months.
But Lordship, it was extended in the year 2012.
12, my lord.
And
No,
the-
initially when the act came, that is,
Right.
that time it was how, what was the time limit?
6 months, 2005.
6 months, correct. And then it was extended to another 6
In
months,
2010, my lord.
correct, in 2010.
Then
Then 2012, no time limit.
I have annexed the act, my lord, in my
Now, if there is no time limit, now who is,
Yes.
huh?
Then wife applied,
Wife refunded?
refunded the amount.
Then why is the family pension not
But
given?
Lordship, it is for, there was an option, there is a provision of option, Lordship, which he never took, Lordship. And this was refunded only by the wife, Lordship. She is not a government employee, Lordship. It was supposed to have been refunded.
In case when employees who retired died, in case someone died, then who will return? The ghost will return.
Lordship, she had her, Lordship,
Who will return?
the employer.
Mr.
Yes, yes.
Upamanyu,
Yes.
if the government employee dies, it's related to both, isn't it? Who retired or died. So if it is a death person, then who will retire? Who will return it? You'll take it from the ghost.
This is Lordship 2012.
One more letter is there.
1 second.
But Lordship, he never took the.
I am asking a
Yes, yes.
specific question, Mr. Upamanyu.
In that case,
You
Lordship, next-
you are saying that the wife returned. Wife is not the government employee. How can the wife return? Therefore, I am asking, in case of a dead person, who is going to retire?
next-
Rightly so, the wife is returning. She is the legal heir.
Yes, Lordship.
If she will not return, who else will return?
But-
The legal heir will only return. Whoever is the surviving legal heirs of the deceased, government employee is going to obviously return it. She has returned it. Then what is the hurdle? The act doesn't say anything. The act have made it very clear, no time limit.
No, Lordship.
Initially, at that period, you see, I could have understood if you can show me something that within there was a time period. Within that time period, she did not apply or something. But whatever is shown to me appears that initially there was a time period, which again was extended. And further, it was extended in such a way that now there is no stipulated time period. At any moment, she can opt. And she can, only condition is that she has to return.
Yes, Lordship.
Correct?
Yes, Lordship.
Now here she is returning the contributory
Oh,
provident
okay.
fund. So if she's returning the contributory provident fund, how can you not grant her the family pension, which you're entitled under the Section 8 of the Act?
Lordship,
This is a very short question, which is
Yes.
falling for determination. That
Yes,
is the only issue before this court.
Lordship on 26, Lordship.
Huh?
On 26, let it come on 26.
Why 26? What is so
Lordship.
auspicious on 26?
Lordship.
The ghost will come out.
No, Lordship, I'll have to go through once, Lordship, because
Go through what?
Lordship, the provisions of law.
Go through the provisions.
Yes, Lord.
But the matter is already fixed for admission today.
Yes,
Yes.
Lord.
Then
Because-
you do now, like nowadays councils do not prepare and come.
Lordship,
Huh?
there was.
You only prepare for preparation also. A time has to be given from
No,
the
Lordship.
court.
Actually, there was a stand that similarly situated persons.
No,
were
no,
benefited.
I'm not concerned of what stand was earlier taken.
Yes.
The issue is before this court.
Yes, Lordship.
There is no other issue. This is the only issue. Entitlement of the petitioner to the family pension.
Otherwise,
That is the only issue. The acts are before. These are not some surprise statements which have been brought out that you need some instructions on that.
2012 Act says that existing employee lordship, and she retired, the husband of the petitioner retired in 1980.
Where in 2012 it says existing? Let us see.
Page 63, lordship. No, lordship, not page 60.
Page 63 of what?
It is 2012. Lordship, page 5, lordship.
One
Page-
second, 1 second.
No, 67 or 67 from now.
You do one thing. I'll give you time because I want a compilation of the X. Ms. Varman, you are also at liberty. I want it in a compilation form. What you're giving me is all quoted portions. It is not becoming very clear. Mr. Upamanyu,
Yes, sir.
kindly compile all the relevant amendments. All right. I'll have it on another date. You look into the amendments properly. The issue is very simple.
Out, then she is in.
Absolutely. Because the only condition precedent which appears is returning of the contributory provident fund.
50% of.
And of course, initially there was a time limit. Now, if that time limit has been lifted, I do not see any reasons when the petitioner is already fulfilling that condition precedent to not deny her the family pension. Okay?
Lordship may kindly page 69. This is affidavit in reply filed by us.
Yes, 60?
69.
Yes.
Here is the, my lord, second paragraph of the act.
Yes.
Provided that, has your lordship got it? 69.
Yes.
This is the act, portion of the act. I have annexed it. Provided that the option once exercised by an existing or retired employee may be withdrawn by him at any time if he wants to come under the provisionalization under this act. And therefore, another my lord letter is there from the
No,
AG.
this is which one? This is the
2012.
provided that the option once exercised by an existing or retired employee may be withdrawn. But you see, Mr. Upamanyu is correct in saying here they don't talk about a dead person. So I think a little bit of research is required. You both of you examine this provision.
Yes, I have.
This only talks about an existing or retired employee.
My lord.
It doesn't talk about a person who has already in the meantime deceased. Your cause of action arises at that time. You superannuated way back in 1987.
My lord. Well, there is a letter.
Now, if this
70,
if this by this amendment, it will otherwise so many employees who has been I don't know. So let them examine you, Mr. Upamanyu. I want specific instructions on this.
One more letter is there, lordship. Page 70. Next letter.
Page
70. This is from the letter accountant general, lordship.
Yes. Yes.
They will subject pension case in respect of Shiva Prasad Thakur, ex-lecturer, DB College, Gulagat.
Where are you reading? Page 70.
Page 70, my lord.
70.
70.
Yes. Where are you reading? This is your
letter,
pleading.
my lord. This is letter.
Where is the letter?
Page 70, my lord.
70?
Just after the
70, there is no letter. This is continuation of that section 8 and then paragraph 6 starts. Are we not on the same page?
Page. Annexure O, lordship, it is.
Page.
In my lordship, it is 70.
Huh?
affidavit in reply, lord.
Filed by the
Affidavit in reply.
petitioner.
Just after the
There's you check the pages. I'm fixing it on another date. You look into it. Heard MSP Burman, learned counsel appearing for the petitioner. Also heard Mr. D. Upamanu, learned standing counsel, Higher Education Department. MS Burman submits that despite the deceased government employee's wife, i.e. the petitioner, having returned the contributory provident fund in terms of the amendment,
2007.
in terms of the 2012 amendment of the এখন দি দিব লাগিব, হা? Assam College Employees Provincialization Act 2005, Section 8. Section 8, amendment to Section 8, na?
Section 3, my lord.
Amendment is Section 3 or Section 8?
Amendment.
As per the
Section
amended
3, Section 3.
Amendment Act of 2012 of the so-and-so Billy Koidia. The family pension has not been released to her. Mr. D. Upamanu seeks a short accommodation to place the legal submissions as arising in the matter. Matter be fixed on such and such date. Mr. Your name? PJ Saikia, learned counsel appearing for the respondent number 4, has furnished a letter received from the principal of the Debraj Roy College Autonomous Golaghat, Assam, informing that the names submitted by the writ petitioner to have been who having been similarly situated, having already been granted the family pension, does not borne out from the records. A copy of the aforesaid instruction is kept on record and marked as A. We will furnish a copy. Let a copy also be furnished to MSP Burman. You furnish her a copy. Date did you?
12. That's okay.
Wait, please, your lordship. Here in this writ petition, my lord, the respondent authority is initiated to disciplinary proceeding against the petitioner, my lord. And by order dated, those are the impugn order, my lord. By order dated 21/2017, one order was passed on 21/2017 and another on 15/2017. The petitioner was compulsorily retired from his service and some amounts were recovered from him, my lord. The lordship may kindly come to
Who is appearing for the respondents? Respondents?
FCI is there.
CGC is there? FCI and CGC is, where are they?
FCI is there.
FCI name is not shown. This is item 16. FCI's name is not shown in the cause list.
DK Singh was appearing earlier.
You are for?
No, I am not in this matter.
But
PK
FC,
Singh was appearing. PK Singh is the standing counsel of FC.
their names are not shown in the cause list and they are not before this court. Heard Mr.
S. Burwa.
S. Barwal, learned counsel appearing for the petitioner. None appears for the respondent in call. It appears that the names of the standing counsel FCI is not reflected in the cause list. Relist on such and such date reflecting the names of the standing counsel FCI in the cause list.
Sir, can it be towards the end of February, man?
Give a date in, I think March or
2nd of March.
Deeply obliged.
17th.
Yes, affidavit.
Please, your lordship, you are newly engaged in this matter, so kindly let it be directed to the petitioners to furnish us with the.
You are BTC.
Yes, your lordship.
What do you want? You want a copy of the petition? Why the earlier standing council have not returned you, have not given you the copy? Why? I don't see a reason for the earlier set of standing councils retaining copies of the petition. You should devise a mechanism to get all the copies. Anyway, Mr. Saikia, I think ask your office to give them a copy. Heard Mr. R.C. Saikia, Leonard Senior Counsel, assisted by M.S.
M. Sharma.
M. Sharma, Leonard Counsel for the petitioner. Also heard M.S.
P. Kashyap.
P. Kashyap, Leonard Standing Counsel. Are you a Standing Counsel? Leonard Counsel appearing on behalf of the Standing Counsel BTC. And M.S. R. Barwal, Leonard Counsel appearing for
1 and 2, lordship.
for respondent numbers 1 and 2. Standing Counsel.
Lordship,
Leonard Standing Counsel Secondary Education. Huh? MS, your name once again. MS Kashyap submits that since they have been since her senior has been recently appointed as the standing counsel of BTC, a short accommodation be granted for reconstructing the brief as the records have not been received from the department in this has the records of the present of this instant case has not been received by them from the department. Mr. Saikia submits that a copy of the petition has already been given to her in the court by his junior. When do you want it?
2 weeks ago.
Relist on such and such date? 15th March?
Only the respondent number 1 and 2, they should also file an affidavit.
On such and such date, it is needless to be clarified that by the next date of listing, the respondents, the arrayed respondents, shall positively, without fail, file their respective return in the matter. That will take care.
Item 86.
Yes, Mr. Nath. Miss.
Well, here the respondent number 2 and 3 has filed the affidavit. 1, 2, and 3.
How come today you are this side? What is this matter?
For the petitioner, the petitioner has prayed for pension.
Yes.
One thing before I take your lordship to the merit of the case, the respondent number 4, 5, and 6 are also important, but I have not seen the service report in respect of 4, 5, and 6. Otherwise,
it's a state of Assam matter.
No, it's the Union of India.
Which matter? It won't be filed this Amuk. Item, your item is item?
Item 18.
Item 18. You see your synopsis?
No, this is Union.
See your synopsis page.
Well, the correction has been made subsequently. Union of India has been possibly.
idea.
Sorry. This is Union of India.
You get it corrected.
I'll
whatever correction is that next week. Heard Mr. Deenath, Leonard Counsel appearing for the petitioner. Also heard MS.
A. Chakraborty.
A. Chakraborty, Leonard Counsel appearing for the respondent numbers 2 and 3. Mr. Nath seeks a short accommodation to make the for correcting a typographical error that has inadvertently crept into the cost title of the matter.
In the cost title, it is okay, only
in the synopsis. But that's your first page. So that is the main. Let the same be carried out and a copy of the amended synopsis be given before the registry for doing the needful. Released on such and such date. I just check if there is anything else. I have not flipped the pages.
I'll check.
Yes.
Hello. I'll wait for some time for me to file my rejoinder, my lord.
All right.
To the AP.
As prayed for by Mr. M. Sharma, Leonard Counsel appearing for the petitioner relist on such and such date to enable the petitioner file rejoinder against the affidavit in opposition filed by the respondent numbers 1, 2, 3.
Or all the respondents in the APDCL, madam.
maybe 3 respondents then.
Yes,
Respondent APDCL. করি।
Yes. Well,
You are there for APDCL? Give his, you are Mr.
B does.
Huh?
B does.
B?
Does.
Das, APDCL.
APDCL.
And Mr. C. Barwa for 7. Huh? So not all respondents, I think.
yes, my lord. 1 to 6. 1 to 6 are APDCL, my lord. 7 and 8 might be.
So APDCL have filed their affidavit.
My lord.
Huh?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes, well.
I'm grateful. Item 20. Item 20.
May please your lordship, this matter may passes over for time being lordship.
You wanted some time to file an additional affidavit. What has happened to that? You are not aware.
Yes, lordship,
What do you want?
for time being lordship.
Lordship, otherwise also they have not furnished the necessary document as required for that compensation family pension. So their additional affidavit is necessary, Lordship, whether they have furnished it or not.
So, but he doesn't know anything. That is the problem. I am quite, it's painful to see that juniors are being sent to the courts without the basic bare instructions. They are not even aware what is going on in the court. It is very strange. I do not understand how. You see, once you stand in the court and once you get into that, you are an officer of the court. You must be aware of what is happening in the matter. You should see the last order before you stand before the court to address and get the instructions. This court only wants to know from you, are you going to file your additional affidavit? If you want to file the additional affidavit, how much more time? Accordingly, the order could have been passed. Now we'll have to wait for your senior to come and ask for that time, when you could have easily informed the court how much time you want.
Lordship, 2 weeks time.
You could have said that in the beginning. Avoid this wastage of judicial time unnecessarily. When this court is repeatedly asking you your name, Mr. T. Hussain.
E. Hussain.
Learned counsel appearing for the petitioner seeks further 2 weeks time to file the additional affidavit as called for by the prayer is not opposed, released on such and such date.
21.
Yes, Mr. Patwari.
My lord, the respondent number 3 has just served me a copy of the affidavit in opposition. I would like to file my reply.
Right. You filed it?
Lordship, we're filing it today.
Filing it today. Heard Mr. J. Patwari, learned counsel for the petitioner, also heard MS. Borthakur, learned counsel appearing on behalf of Mr. P. Nayak, learned standing counsel SSA. MS so-and-so submits that a copy that the affidavit in opposition is going to be filed during the course of the day, and a copy of the same has already been furnished to Mr. Patwari, learned counsel for the petitioner. Mr. Patwari submits that he has received the same and seeks a short accommodation to file reply against the same. Relist on such and such date. In the meantime, the relist on such and such date to enable the petitioner to file reply against the affidavit opposition, which is stated to be filed during the which is scheduled to be filed during the course of the day.
Okay.
Item 22.
Yes, Mr. Barbhuya.
This matter was instituted, my lord, September 2024. This petitioner before your lordship was dismissed from service. He is a police constable, my lord. Yet,
Yes,
my
lordship.
government side has not filed.
We have received instruction, Lordship, and kindly some more time required, Lordship.
Time required for what?
For filing affidavit, Lordship. Already prepared.
Already prepared. All right. As prayed for by MSU, as Barwa, learned additional senior government advocate, relist on such and such date to enable the state respondent file the affidavit of opposition, which is stated to be already, which is stated to be under process. Transfer.
Transfer matter already lots of stay, enjoying stay more than 5 years at the same station.
Where are they?
We have a fixed annual posting lordship. And someone is waiting to come back to LU, to Gauhati lordship.
None appears for the petitioner on call. Heard Mr. B. Chakrabarti, learned CGC, released on Friday under the column for dismissal.
Item 24.
May I please, your lordship?
Yes.
My lord, the matter is very unfortunate. Matter relates to that.
Compassionate.
Unfortunate.
Unfortunate.
Petitioner's father died, my lord, on 26/4/2012. The present petitioner's brother applied under the scheme of die and harness on 4/10/2012. Ultimately, my lord, one date is important. Appointment order was issued through that process of DLC and SLC, everything, 1/7/2024. My lord, got it. 1/7/2024, appointment letter issued. Very unfortunately, this person who was claiming this appointment under the die and harness scheme died on 7/11/2023, 8 months prior to the issuance of the. Now this petitioner being the younger brother and qualified, my lord, there is no substantive right, is the equity, my lord. Just before your lordship, that after, because of the lengthy process of 5 years, my brother.
Tiwari. You see, because the problem is not just that. This is not a recruitment process. Compassionate appointment are not recruitment
It's
process.
not, it's not. That is the reason. Like,
correct.
Yes.
Now, you yourself have very candidly used the word unfortunate. Yes, it is very unfortunate indeed.
My lord,
But then the facts are such, nothing can be done at this moment because the brother died.
Yes.
2012.
No, brother died.
Who died? Who was the government employee who died?
Father.
12.
Yeah,
3 sons.
3 sons.
Very unfortunate, but nothing can be done, Mr.
My lord, only thing that I have asked, if, because it's a compassionate scheme.
Nothing can be done at this moment. Compassionate scheme. It's already barred by several lapse of years.
No, but that was considered, that appointment order was issued on 1/7.
Whatever, that is in respect of another person. Now, this person has to give a fresh appointment, isn't it?
As such, your lordship is very much aware that it is a scheme where there is no recruitment rules or advertisement or
Correct.
anything required.
I'm sorry.
I have already given an application before the authority if they can consider me
There is
instead
no
of.
point of asking them to consider when there is no right.
Right is there, my lord. That's the reason I said equitable right.
No, but you see, Mr. Counsel, there is no point of sending them. If they want to consider, they will consider.
Let them give it thought, my lord. I cannot ask for more because I've lost everything. Lost my father, lost my brother.
You have been surviving for the last so many years, Mr. Counsel.
My lord, it's very
I'm sorry.
unfortunate
I
to say.
am not going to give this a simple disposal by for consideration or representation. There is no bar. I may add a line that there is no bar later on, but I am not passing that. I'm going to pass it on merit. I'm dismissing this petition.
My lord,
The law is well settled now. It's a compassionate appointment case at the end of the day.
my lord, if the
And the undisputed position is the lapse of how many years, Mr. Sharma? Counted.
It was in
2012,
more than 14 years.
more than 14 years.
Almost 14 years.
Yes, please take down.
but only one thing, my lord,
Yes.
my lord, if the court is very tough, considering the situation and the case, let me try in somewhere else.
No, no, no.
Yes, my lord.
This cannot go on like this. Your name?
But only one thing has to be considered, that appointment order.
That I will take. I'll keep a
You'll
note
have to
of
be
it.
pleased to see the appointment
Yes,
order.
yes, yes, yes. Show me.
My lord, 1/7/2024, that is page
26. 26, Annexure 5.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, I have that. You're at serial number 8.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
So that, if your lordship looks at the date, my lord, that date is 1/7/2024.
Yes. For whosoever fault, Debabata Tiwari, that paragraph.
I understand. I understand. As
All
your
right.
lordship, before your lordship would say
I'll
that,
take note of all this.
but there is no bar, my lord. If your lordship would like to please to add, my lord, considering the case.
And your prayer, how can this prayer be given? You want that you be considered against the post of your brother who passed away. Can that be done? How can that be done? That cannot be done. How can this appointment instead of your brother, how can you get that appointment? Yes, Ms. Barua.
Yes, Lordship, his brother was appointed on compassionate ground. After that, he has died. He was died, and how can his brother can appoint on that post also? It is not.
My lord, then can I give a small
All right,
Another
next. Lekha. Heard Mr.
Abedin.
J.
J.
Udin, na?
Abedin.
Abedin. Learned Counsel appearing for the petitioner.
Lord, can I
Also heard
can I give an
MS.
For 3 and 4.
S. Barwa, Learned Counsel appearing for respondent numbers
3 and 4.
3 and 4. And Mr. P. Sharma, Learned Counsel appearing for
1 and 2.
1 and
2.
2.
3 and 5.
My lord,
Ticket or
can I make a
1 second, Mr. Counsel, have patience.
No, only one alternative prayer.
Just against her name, you say additional senior government advocate. You are appearing as a government advocate here. Government advocate for the state respondents Kuridiba 1 and 2. Numbers 3 and 4.
3 and
3 and 4. And P Sharma, you are for
1 and 2.
as
Standing council element.
standing counsel elementary education. Yes. Yes. What were you saying? What were you saying?
It's okay.
Yes. The instant writ petition is being preferred and is being filed under Article 226 of the Constitution of India. Seeking consideration of appointment of the petitioner to the post of grade 4 in place of his brother I so and so who passed away on 7/11/2023 before the order of appointment was issued in his favor by the Director of Secondary Education Assam, and for considering the case of the petitioner for appointment on compassionate ground in any post as per his qualification, being the younger son of the deceased government employee I. Azizul Haq, who passed away on 26/4/2012, or to allow the petitioner to work as grade 4 employee in the school in place of his elder brother in pursuance of appointment order dated 1/7/2024. Stop. The brief facts of the case is that the father of the petitioner, I. Nurul Islam, died in harness on 26/4/2012 while serving as an assistant teacher in Hayadobi Rampur Satra Boys ME Madrasa in the district of Nagaon, leaving behind his wife, 2 daughters and 2 sons, including the petitioner. Immediately upon the death of his father, his elder brother, I. Ajijur Haq, applied for compassionate appointment, applied for appointment under the compassionate appointment scheme, na?
Yes.
Under the compassionate appointment scheme. Though initially the case of the petitioner's brother was rejected on ground of being time barred, however, later on, upon filing a writ petition before this court by way of WPC number 3759 of 2022, upon this court by judgment and order dated 8/6/2022, having remanded the matter back to the DLC Nagaon, for reconsideration, the DLC Nagaon recommended his case to the SLC, and accordingly SLC in its meeting appointed the petitioner's brother to the post of grade 4 in Swahid Chandan Singh High School by order dated 1/7/2024, which was approved by the government on 21/6/2024. However, in the meantime, the elder brother of the petitioner passed away on 7/11/2023. Situated thus, the present writ petition has been filed by the petitioner, who is the younger son of the deceased employee and the brother of the so-and-so, Mr. So-and-so, learned counsel for the petitioner, submits that since the brother of the petitioner was appointed on under the compassionate scheme in the against however, before he could join the same, having passed away, the petitioner may be accommodated to the said post. He alternatively argues that the case of the petitioner be considered for compassionate appointment on the ground of his father having expired. MS Barua, on the other hand, vehemently opposing the prayer made in the writ petition, submits that there cannot be any automatic appointment of the petitioner to the post to which his brother was considered to be appointed by the SLC merely because before the appointment order, the brother had expired. She further submits that the issue that there can be no question. She further submits that the question of appointing the petitioner on compassionate ground against the post holded against the post which his father was holding during the time of his death way back on 26/4/2012 shall not arise inasmuch as there has been a delay of almost 14 years since the death of his father, and that compassionate appointment are not a recruitment process. Stop. Having heard the learned counsels appearing for the parties and having perused the materials available on record, it is apparent that the father of the petitioner died on 26/4/12, almost 14 years. 14 years back. It is unfortunate that the brother of the petitioners, whose case was ultimately considered by the SLC before the appointment could be effectuated, had passed away. Be that as it may, there is no right of the petitioner for appointment to the set post which was offered to the brother of the petitioner, there being no legal right whatsoever. Issuance of a writ while exercising the extraordinary jurisdiction does not arise. Further, compassionate appointments are made for meeting out the hurdles upon the sudden demise of a government employee. The sense of immediacy is of paramount consideration in such cases. In the instant case, there having been a delay of almost 14 years, the question of appointing the petitioner under any compassionate scheme cannot arise. That being so, I do not find any merit in the writ petition. Accordingly, the writ petition stands dismissed, no cost. Sorry.
It's okay. Deeply obliged.
26. Item 26.
Affidavit is ready, Lordship, and it is sent for vetting.
None appears for the petitioner on call. MS Barua submits that the affidavit in opposition is ready and has been sent for vetting. MS Barua, the same submission was made in December 2025 by Mr. Kalita. The same submission. It is submitted by MS M. Kalita, learned counsel for the respondents number 1 and 2, that affidavit in opposition has been sent for vetting, which should be filed within 10 days from today, and therefore prays for listing of the matter after 10 days.
May I submit, Your Lordship?
It's filed.
It's already filed.
They're filed.
Yes, sir.
Then what?
We have
No, but Ms. Barua is seeking time.
I received a copy, Your Lordship.
Seeking time, Lordship.
What did you say? Then you said it has been sent for vetting.
Yes, Lordship, it has sent for vetting, Lordship, but on behalf of respondent number 1. This is.
The copy has been served upon me. I will file to like my rejoinder, Your Lordship.
By whom?
Respondent number 1, Your
1.
Lordship.
Ms. Barua, what do you mean by vetting? What you said vetting? Did I not hear you correctly? I don't know what the counsels behind have heard when you had submitted, but I clearly heard that you said the affidavit has gone for vetting. Huh? Ms. Barua, Mr. Bora, Mr. Borthakur, what did you all hear?
Lordship, I am submitting that.
So if you say that affidavit is sent for vetting, the impression the court will get is that you want some time to file the affidavit.
No, Lordship.
Anyway, you want some time?
Yes, sir.
As prayed for by Mr. T. Deori, learned counsel for the petitioner, released on such and such date to enable the petitioner file rejoinder to the affidavit in opposition filed on behalf of respondent number 1.
May I pray for a date, your lordship? Your license.
My lord, in this case also, no affidavit has been filed yet.
Not filed.
No.
Ms. Barua,
Lordship, 2 weeks time will be granted, Lordship.
2 weeks.
Date may be fixed, my lord.
If you happen to sit in this court, then you will observe that
Yeah, my lord.
in all matters,
Your lordship has
a
fixed.
date is being given.
Yes, ma'am.
So don't unnecessarily,
Only-
not required. If you don't get a date, you tell me.
Only one prayer, my lord. In the cause this, my name is not shown, my
All
lord.
right, fair enough. We'll ensure that your name is shown on the next date. Your name.
M.A.I. Hussain.
Heard, Mr. M.I.
M.A.I.
M.A.I.
Hussain.
Hussain, learned counsel appearing for the petitioner. Also heard M.S. Rukmani Barwa,
Lordship.
learned counsel appearing for
Standing counsel for respondents 1, 2, and 4.
standing counsel,
Secondary Education
secondary education department, respondent numbers 1, 2, and 4. And Mr. Your name. Aged Ahmed, learned counsel appearing for respondent number 6. What about elementary?
Lordship, 3 and 5 elementary education department, Lordship.
Yes, Mr. Sharma. P. Sharma, learned standing counsel, respondent number 3 and 5, elementary education. Ms. Barua seeks a short 2 weeks time.
2 weeks time.
2 weeks time for filing affidavit in opposition in the matter. Prayer is not opposed. Released on such and such date. Let registry reflect the name of Mr. So and so, learned counsel for the petitioner in the cause list.
17 March.
Item 28.
May I plead your lordship? Lordship, the respondent number 2 filed their affidavit in opposition, my lord. I want 2 weeks time for reply. Counter.
All right. Your name?
L. Wajida, my lord.
MS?
L. Wajida.
According to detail, 2 weeks for filing reply against the affidavit opposition filed by respondent number 2. Huh?
Oblige your lord.
As Barwa.
Item 29.
May it please, Lordship.
Area salary.
Lordship, kindly pass over the matter for a time being, Lordship.
All right, I've seen Mr. Das waiting. So I think he may have just gone for a break.
No, Lordship, there's a matter in.
That's all right. No worries. He's been sitting here for a long time. That is why readily I gave you the time.
30 and 31.
Yes.
Lordship, and,
Rejoinder?
yes, lordship.
Are you filing?
Yes, lordship.
You filed?
Yes, lordship.
When did you file?
It was filed yesterday.
Yes.
It is.
That's why it's not here.
Yes.
All right. Your name? Mr. N. Ali.
Yes.
N for Nagaland.
Yes. Yes.
N. Ali, Learned Counsel for the petitioner submits that a rejoinder affidavit has already been filed yesterday. However, the same is not on record. Let registry verify and place the same on record, released on such and such date.
Okay. Item 33.
Yes, 33.
May I plead your lord? Last of
Yes, what about affidavit, Ms. Barwa?
It is.
None of your matters, your affidavits are there, Ms. Barwa.
Yes,
Huh? Generally, when you are there, affidavits are forthcoming. What has happened this time?
No, lordship, that.
Huh? I don't see your names on the last occasions, though.
I have said.
So you ensure.
Yes, lordship, it is ensured that I have.
Heard, Mr.
B. Islam, lordship.
B.
For 13, lordship.
Islam, Learned Counsel appearing for the petitioner, also heard MS Barwa, Learned Government Counsel for the state respondent. MS Barwa submit that the affidavit in opposition has been sent for vetting
Vetting, lordship.
and shall be filed within a short period of time. Prayer is allowed. Prayer is not opposed. Korea, huh? Or relist on such and such.
34.
Yes, Mr. Viswakarma.
The respondent will have to file the affidavit.
Yes, Mr. Sharma.
There for some time, lordship.
How much time?
3 weeks time, lordship, for filing affidavit, lord.
Okay. Heard Mr. Vishwakarma, Learned S. Vishwakarma, sorry. Learned Counsel appearing for the petitioner. Also heard Mr. P. Sharma, Learned Counsel appearing for the Standing Counsel, Elementary Education Department for respondent numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And what about
Finance.
Arbar Pujari, Finance? Finance, anyone there? None appears for the respondent number 6 on call. As prayed for by Mr. So-and-so, relist on such and such date to enable the respondent file return in the matter.
Problem.
Yes,
May it please your lordship. Lordship, here.
yes,
the
no
response is
affidavit,
No
nothing.
affidavit, lordship, respondent number 5 and 6,
Yes.
Golaghan Municipal Board. They are the main lordship, main party.
What happened to the steps?
Steps, my lord, the notice has been served. Lordship can
Presume.
look there, order dated, office note dated
Yes,
21
it
1.
may be presumed that service is complete.
Yes,
So we will take note of it.
yes. So my plus one.
Heard Mr.
M. Dottam.
M. Datta, Learned Counsel appearing for the petitioner. Also heard Mr.
A Chakraborty.
A. Chakrabarti, Learned Counsel appearing for
Respondent 1, 3, and 4 lordship.
1, 3, and 4. Office note dated 21/1/2026 indicates that service of notice upon the respondent numbers 5 and 6 is complete. However, none appears on call. However, no representation till date. Huh? No representation till date. How much time you want?
Lordship, I am not necessary party, lordship.
You're not filing
File.
any
It will
affidavit.
require lordship. File lordship.
So then you
3
say
weeks.
that
3 weeks not.
Ticketer Quadia, 3 weeks time to file return in the matter. Relist after prayer allowed or relist.
25th.
Public.
Item 36.
Yes, affidavit
Lordship.
not filed.
3 weeks time, lordship.
Two occasion my lord has taken the time.
2 occasions.
Only 2.
3rd occasion, personal
Lordship,
appearance.
lordship.
They have to produce the record.
Record, just now also received the record.
You've received record.
Lordship.
Okay.
Just now.
Not that, my lord.
Heard Mr.
Eldeka.
Eldeka, Learned Counsel appearing for the petitioner. Also heard Mr. A. Chakrabarti. Na?
Respondent 2 and 3, lordship.
Respondent for 2 and 3. MS Barua, you're there? 2 and 3. Mr. So-and-so submits that he has received the records and seeks a short accommodation for filing the affidavit for filing return. Prayer is allowed, released on such and such date. It is needless to be clarified that in the event the affidavit is not forthcoming on the next date of listing, the matter shall be proceeded in accordance with law.
3 weeks time, lordship.
Obvious, man.
37.
Kindly, D. Sharma, learned CGC, D. Sharma will appearing in this matter. Lordship says legs in another court.
Okay.
Kindly pass over the matter.
Okay.
38.
Here I have received record, Lordship.
Your lordship. He failed to secure the cutoff mark, your lordship. Therefore, I don't want to praise this matter, your lordship.
Okay. Heard Mr. A.M. Khan, Learned Counsel appearing for the petitioner. Also heard M.S. Barwal, Learned State Counsel, Learned CGC, appearing for all the respondents. Mr. Khan submits that he has received instructions not to press the instant writ petition and accordingly seeks withdrawal of the same. Prayer is allowed. The matter stands dismissed for being withdrawn. On being withdrawn.
And 37, your lordship, may be taken at 2, your lordship.
Why?
Because I have no problem, your lordship.
Huh?
If a lordship will take
37? Who's there in 37?
Sharma is there.
Acha, she'll
Yes.
come now. You wait.
Yes, yes.
She'll come.
Supplementary is item number 52.
May I please, your lordship? Lordship, I'm humbly praying for a time being. May the matter be fixed at 2 p.m. As
Why two?
my senior is on the way, lordship.
You are for JK Goswami?
Thus,
Where is Mr. JK Goswami? Where is government? Yes, Ms. Barua, government is also requested to take up the matter with the Director of Department of Women and Child Development, Government of Assam, for handing over the records for selection in question to the Department of Social Justice.
The Department of Social Welfare is bifurcated in two departments.
So has this been done or not? Any idea?
Yes, that's it. We have sent a letter to the Social Justice and Empowerment.
So therefore now
Department.
Mr. R.M. Das is going to apprise regarding this query. All right.
For order, item 39 and 40.
Wait, please, Your Lordship.
Yes.
Lordship, may kindly fix the matter for hearing for final disposal.
Who is there from the other side?
The Kaushik for Reddy Mahasa.
Affidavits are all filed.
Readings are complete.
The matter is ready for hearing. We don't know. So who is the main party respondent?
Okay.
All right, then I'll hear the petitioner and give her the relief if the respondents are not interested. You don't even know who has what role to play. As counsels, the court is not a place where you will interact among each other.
If the learned counsel is on late in court.
Why are you not saying that? This court has been interacting with you. You are not saying anything. If you have a problem, if you want some time, feel free and you'll have to say. The court cannot understand what is going on in your mind. You have to speak up. The court is asking which is the respondent. Nothing has been said. You all are communicating amongst one another. This is not some drawing room proceedings going on. Please understand the seriousness of the court proceedings. Matter is otherwise ready. Heard MS Kemprile, Learned Counsel appearing for the petitioner. Give all your appearances. Matter is submitted at the bar to be ready for hearing. As pleadings are completed, the matter be listed for hearing. We list April or December.
April 7th.
Obliged.
Time being item number 37.
Ms. Kemprile, the matter is admitted, no otherwise? Huh?
Last occasion, we filed an IA for infringement. That is all. Otherwise, the
Ad-
affidavits.
Otherwise admitted also. It was about silo, huh? Admission as am I hearing on this one? Yes, sir. What is this?
Hearing the petitioner, he had
Ms.
participated.
Sharma, I think your returns not filed, no?
It has not filed. I have received the instruction just 2 days back.
Are you going to file your affidavit?
Lordship.
Heard Mr. A.M. Khan, Learned Counsel, appearing for the petitioner. Also heard MS.B. Sharma, Learned CGC, appearing for all the respondents. MS. Sharma submits that she has received instructions in the matter and accordingly seeks a short accommodation for filing, for placing the same by way of return. Prayer is allowed. Released on when do you want it?
Short.
Let her. Is it okay? You choose. You have to file.
And thereafter, your lordship, I will file my rejoinder, your lordship.
It is needless to be clarified that upon receipt of the affidavit in opposition, the petitioner is at liberty to file rejoinder if so advised.
Yes.
You don't need any orders for all this.
41. My lord, hearing this contempt petition, my lord, against the order passed in the year 2018, my lord, 28/11/2018. Thereafter, they have preferred an writ appeal. That writ appeal was dismissed. Thereafter, my lord, they have preferred an review application also. That was also dismissed.
Where is the Mushahari? On her prayer, the matter was posted today. Yes. Mr. Sharma, Datta.
The Mushari on leg, lordship. After some time,
Yes, call on Mr. Das's matter. He's here.
I'll take only 5 minutes for placing the.
Please ask the junior to just, what is the item number?
29.
29. Yes, Mr. Dar.
Page 25. Minutes of the meeting, district level committee. They approves the name of the petitioner for appointment on compulsion ground. I have the honor to submit herewith a proposal for appointment on compulsion. Proposal was submitted in respect of the petitioners for appointment on compulsion ground.
Yes.
Then the district level committee, page 26, your lordship, can you see?
Yes.
So district level committee, where my lord, the commissioner, your lordship, can you see page 26? Commissioner secretary revenue is there. Commissioner and secretary finance is also there.
Yes.
Then they have approved the name of the petitioner at page 27.
Serial number 15.
15.
Sri Neetu Meh.
Neetu Meh.
Yes.
So accordingly, he was appointed at page 29.
Yes.
Thereafter, my lord, he got salary for 3 months. Then thereafter, the salary was not paid. And your lordship will kindly see one factor, page 29. OP was sent to Commissioner and Secretary Government of Finance Department also. Appointment
Yes.
dated is 17.
Serial number 2.
Yes.
Yes.
Now, what they are saying is, page now in their earlier affidavit also, that prior approval is not given, so we cannot give him any.
This is the regular stand in which has been observed.
Yes.
Has any decision been taken by any of the court on this till now? This is not the first time that that this court is hearing this stand.
Compassionate ground, I don't think any matter.
No, not only in compassionate ground, on any other, because in most of the times, one of the ground for not releasing salary later on is that the approval is not there. Now, in such a situation, any decision has come.
The only consideration we can give lordship depending on the financial implications. And in this case, lordship.
What do you mean by depending on the financial implications, Mr. Chalia? Before the DLC, SLC or DLC it was? SLC, the Commissioner of Finance was a party,
Yes,
was a member.
lordship.
You have approved it,
That
and
was correct.
accordingly he was given appointment.
Yes,
Now,
lordship.
once appointment is given, after giving 3 months salary, you stop it and then you say, no, now there is no approval. You did not have initial approval. We will not release. You are working. He's working.
Yes, lordship. Here, that is the difficulty, lordship. Since the SIU approval, he has not come
You
under
see,
the
these
domain.
are all your formalities.
Yes.
These are all your internal technicalities.
Yes,
This
lordship.
court is not concerned with all your internal management and
Yes,
technicalities.
lordship.
You
Because
have given him appointment. He is working.
yes, lordship. That regarding that also we have
Were you not there in that meeting?
meeting the.
You were there.
Yes, Commissioner
You were
Secretary
there.
was present.
Then-
Lordship, but in those meetings, it is subject to prior concurrence of SIU approval is required.
Who is supposed to take it? You take it
That-
de facto, the post facto.
Now, yes,
approval.
lordship.
So therefore, the last order was passed here, lordship.
Yeah,
The last
yes,
order.
lordship. And that instruction also I have.
They will bring it in negative.
No, lordship. Here, ex post facto approval can be given, lordship. Only lordship. will
Ex
go-
post facto approval, yes.
Yes, lordship. Lordship may just go through our instruction, lordship.
As in positive or is it negative?
For positive, lordship, but after following the due procedure, lordship, if the matter can be placed by the SLC, because we are receiving proposals for compassionate appointment from the administrative departments even now. So if the case of the petitioner can also be given through the proper channel, lordship, if we are going to follow the proper procedure, because that is what happened in
You
the.
see, Mr. Chalia,
Lordship.
I mean, it is very sad and
Gotcha.
ultimately
Process server.
a person has been duly appointed.
Lordship.
He has been duly appointed.
Lordship.
He's still working.
Lordship.
And these are not some regular appointments.
Yes.
These are also compassionate appointments.
Lordship.
The object of compassionate appointments needs no introduction.
Lordship.
In fact, going by the object of compassionate appointment, you are rejecting appointments of when there is delay. Now, if somebody is given the appointment after following a due process, which appears, which appears, and then you are actually not giving him the salary and you're making him work, then the entire object of compassionate appointment is totally frustrated again.
Yes, Lordship, in the entire.
Why should not the salary be given?
Yes,
These whatever ex post facto approvals, you do it internally, you get it.
That is, Lordship, that internally, that is what we have, that is why in our letter also, we have asked the revenue department to, through SLC, just send us, because we have.
You see, I don't
Yes, Lordship.
want all this.
Lordship.
I'm going to give you a short span of time.
Lordship.
Do whatever is to be done.
Lordship,
The
yes.
salary needs to be released.
Lordship, for that only, so that we don't make the same mistake that we made earlier. For that, we are just.
That is why I want to pass an order.
Yes, Lordship will give us one last here.
Yes, Supreme Court judgment I am just relying on, where two posts were sanctioned, but authorities they have taken into consideration as the 3 posts has been sanctioned. The advertisement was issued, government has given approval, appointment was made, then thereafter they are saying we are not going to pay. So court said where is his fault? If his fault is not there, that judgment is there.
Where?
I have already given on last question.
It's very difficult, Mr. Das. These things are not there in the file.
With my note, I can give it.
Yes, your note.
Here, Lordship, we are also not disputing that.
Scheme of the appointment is.
Very good, Mr. Cholia, if you're not disputing.
To find a way, Lordship.
This court is also facilitating you to do what is just and proper.
Yes, we have shown the revenue department the way, Lordship. They are also making that effort. So if it comes to the right channel, then.
You see, what channel it needs to go, you work it out between you all. The petitioner cannot suffer more. The petitioner has suffered a lot.
That is why I'm not getting into details, Lordship. We are trying to find a way.
It is easy for one here to not understand that situation. How it would be for a person to remain without getting a salary. That too on a compassionate appointment. The only earning member has passed away, mind you. That is the reason you are accommodating that person. And then you are not giving the salary after giving him the appointment.
Yes.
It is making the compassionate appointment schemes a mockery, nothing else. Which paragraph, Mr. Das?
First paragraph, first 2 paragraph itself will show. That 2 posts were there, then ultimately 3 posts they have taken into consideration. It was advertisement. Court said his fault is not there. On this ground itself, your lordship can dispose of the matter directly because they are not going to do anything. And as the finance commissioner's salary is put to difficulties.
You are still continuing, no?
My service is protected by this court also. And the scheme of the appointment is that you have to make the appointment within a period of 6 months. Now they are relying on an office memorandum dated from 2012.
For what?
Saying that prior appointment in respect of grade 4, but not compulsionary appointment.
Para 36 will be relevant. In their affidavit, they have not stated that the petitioner is at fault. So therefore, I came on the line of this Supreme Court judgment, direct them to. Again, the petitioner will be made to file a contempt petition thereafter also.
No, Lordship, that is why I'm asking Lordship to keep it pending, Lordship.
This kind, I mean, I'm rare, it's very rare to see this kind of official action.
Lordship, regarding that, we have also stated in our affidavit, we have asked the erring officers to take action to be
What
taken
action
against.
is taken?
No, Lordship, we are not the
Mr.
authority.
Chalia,
Lordship,
we are not concerned about all that.
Lordship,
You see, the petitioner is not at fault.
Yes, Lordship,
You have to understand.
that I bow down.
You are not only just a representative of the state,
Lord.
you are also an officer of the court. You have to understand what is happening.
Yes, Lordship. Now, Lordship.
There has to be some, you see, one has to also be empathetical to the situations.
Yes,
Here a person has been given due appointment.
Yes, Lordship.
The commissioner secretary was present in the LC SLC meetings. He was given an appointment. Salary was given. Abruptly, it has been stopped after 3 months. For what? No fault of the fault of the petitioner. And these are not regular recruitment appointments. They're compassionate appointments, mind you. It defies the conscience of the court as how you could have just stopped it. I could have understood that if that is, and the ground is a technical formality.
Yes, Lordship.
You can always work on it. But why to stop the salary?
Yes, Lordship. That is.
If tomorrow you can't get it, then you could have done another way of recovering it also.
Yes, Lordship.
But why stopping the salary? What was the occasion for stopping the salary? Just because the approval was not there.
Yes, the person.
As you are saying that if you can work it out through the channel, you could have always done it. There was no requirement of stopping the salary.
Yes, Lordship. Now we have.
If it was an illegal appointment, if it was a fraudulent appointment, one could have understood. That is not the situation here. What is these annexure 3, Mr. Das? That is the appointment order?
Yes.
And what is this and why the order 3423? What is that order? Disapproving concurrence.
Yes.
What is that?
14/7/23, page 71, if your lordship goes into, because this is a second round of petition, 71. This is a letter given by the Secretary of Revenue saying that my lord, approval of the finance department was not obtained prior to his. The reason for non-concurrence is that the last paragraph, my lord, page 71.
Prior to his appointment.
Yes. This was communicated in the year 2020. I think officials are enjoying this grade 4 is not getting salary. So let us celebrate.
Anyway, at 2.
apology for mentioning at this hour. There's an item 23, I was on legs. So, I have been newly engaged. My lord, we like to file our reply to the affidavit of opposition. My lord, be 2 weeks to be granted. My lord has fixed this matter on Friday. And the first,
You mention on that day.
Friday.
It will come on Friday for dismissal.
Friday, I'll have some difficulty, my lord. Otherwise, I could have addressed this court in Friday.
Then we'll dismiss it. Order is passed. I've already signed it. Whatever accommodation you need, ensure your junior to be here.
Friday.
Yes, next.
Obliged, my lord.
Yes.
Now, only one aspect I would like to assist your lordship. At page 104, that is the scheme.
Page
104, that is the scheme. And page 110, that is 2000.
10
104.
104.
1st June 2015 notification. And at page 110,
What do you want? First, one by one, Mr. Das, I cannot see both the both the OMs together. I don't have those AI eyes.
it's coming.
Huh? And that's what I'm saying. I don't have it. I don't know about you.
It has
Huh?
come to Delhi. So,
Maybe tomorrow we might have some AI specs. No?
it has
Huh?
already come.
It has already come.
It has already.
So when you look into it concisely, 2-3 pages can be captured.
For the eye, treatment of the eye, it has come.
Acha. Okay, what do you want to show from page 104?
104, that is regarding the scheme of the compassionate appointment.
Yes,
It is dated 1/6/2015.
yes.
Page 110. All vacancies, principal 9. All available vacancies against the quota of compassionate appointments must be filled up within a period of 6 months from the date of occurrence of the vacancy in accordance with the present directions. So, there is a question of prior recruitment. This is a communication from the personnel department. They have to fill it up. They have taken all the steps necessary, and accordingly, appointment order has been issued.
Okay.
There is no fault on the part of the petitioner.
Okay.
Here, since all these appointments could not be made, that is why the compassionate family pension has come into existence. Since there was a failure, and that is why the compassionate family pension was introduced. So that the rightful
this Annexure 14 is the appointment of the petitioner made under this office memorandum?
no.
That is a different.
Yes.
That is a different
This
scheme.
is the standard procedure, Lordship.
Which one? This one?
Yes, Lordship.
This is the standard
Yes,
procedure.
but here,
And you have specific schemes.
yes, Lordship.
So they have been appointed under a specific scheme.
Yes, Lordship, compassionate family appointment.
Anyway,
Compassionate
see,
appointment.
I'm not on all that.
Lordship.
I have already indicated
Yes.
the mind of the court.
Lordship.
It is not a regular recruitment
Yes.
where because of want of approval, the appointment has been terminated. There cannot be anything more where you are taking his service
Yes.
and you are not paying.
That part.
No work, no pay. We understand.
Yes, Lordship.
Work and no
Yes,
pay.
that is why, Lordship, we are not disputing.
So
we are just trying to find.
go only on that, Mr.
Yes,
Chalia.
yes, Lordship. We are just trying
Only
to
thing I am also not, I'm still thinking as what would be the operating part of the order. I'm allowing the writ petition. That definitely I'm allowing. But whether I'll allow it by directing you to immediately release it or within a particular within a period to release all the salaries and do whatever internally you need to do to get it regularized. I think that is
that is it, Lordship. That we are also, Lordship.
no, you do
We are
whatever you want to do it, you do it.
Yes, Lordship.
But you can't be keeping the salary of the petitioner hanging.
Yes, that aspect, Lordship. We are just trying to find out
All right.
how it can be.
the judgment, no, the present writ petition has been filed by the petitioner seeking redress against the arbitrary stoppage of his salary.
I'm repeating that.
One second. Despite his appointment on compassionate ground, his continuous discharge of duties pursuant thereto, and his continuance in service till date. The report heard Mr. B.D. Das, Senior Advocate, assisted by M.S. Decca, R. Decca and H. Alia for Standing Counsel Finance. Please give your respondents, within bracket respondents, Mr. S. Doctor, within bracket respondent, 2 and 3.
Yesterday we have filed an affidavit. Yesterday we have filed an affidavit. One copy, this is not in the record. This may be considered.
So the petitioner was the petitioner was considered for appointment under the scheme for compassionate appointment, a measure intended to provide immediate succor to the family of a deceased employee in financial distress. His case was placed before the state level committee in the meeting held on 27/2/2017. Full stop. The SLC after due consideration recommended the petitioner for appointment on compassionate ground. Stop. It is an admitted position that the Commissioner and Secretary Finance Department Commissioner and Secretary to the Government of Assam, Finance Department was a member of the said SLC. Correct? Next paragraph. Acting upon the recommendation of the SLC, the petitioner was appointed on compassionate ground to the post of Jari Karak within bracket grade 4 on by order dated 17/7/2017, and was allowed to join service. A copy of the appointment order of the petitioner was also forwarded to the Commissioner and Secretary Finance Department.
And revenue and
that is also important, as well as to the Commissioner and Secretary to the Government of Assam Revenue and DM Department. So here I got to me likhi diya, admitted position that the Commissioner and Secretary, Commissioner and Secretary to the Government of Assam within Revenue and DM Department, as well as Commissioner and Secretary to the Government of Assam Finance Department, were a member of the said SLC.
Chairman and Chief Secretary Assam only. These all because future Lordship personal department they were also members.
Including the Chief Secretary as the chairperson of the said committee. সেই তাতে দেই কি কলো last okay the petitioner accordingly joined service and started discharging his duties. He is continuing in service till date, and there is no dispute with regard to the fact that his services have been utilized by the department. Next paragraph. However, after about 3 months of service, the salary of the petitioner was abruptly stopped on the purported ground that prior approval of the finance department had not been obtained. Learned counsel for the petitioner submits that the very object of compassionate appointment stands defeated when an appointee appointed to mitigate the hardship, is denied salary despite working continuously. It is submitted that the petitioner cannot be made to suffer for alleged procedural lapses between departments, particularly when the finance department was itself represented in the SLC. Learned counsel for the respondents, on the other hand, contends that prior approval of the finance department was mandatory, and in the absence thereof, salary could not be released.
That is as per OM dated 33/2012. Lordship.
Give the reference anyway. I'll put it. Give it.
It's in our
Page 92.
Just give that date. OM's date.
30.
The issues. Upon hearing the learned counsels for the parties and having perused the material available on record, the issues that arise for determination are whether salary of a person appointed on compassionate ground who has been allowed to work and is continuing in service can be stopped on the ground of want of prior approval, semicolon, and whether such action is legally sustainable. That is the issue.
The minutes, Lordship. In the minute itself, it's written where the 3 members of the party, Lordship, it's written, after careful consideration of the cases, the following candidates are recommended for appointment under compassionate ground, subject to the concurrence of finance department as required. That
All right.
is in the minutes it's written.
All right. Compassionate appointment is not a mode of regular recruitment. It is an exception carved out to alleviate immediate financial distress of a bereaved family. One such appointment is made following due consideration by the competent committee, the state is required to act with sensitivity, fairness, and promptitude. In the present case, the petitioner was appointed pursuant to the recommendation of the state-level committee, in which the finance department was a participant. The appointment order was issued and the petitioner was allowed to join and discharge his duties. He is continuing in service till date and no fault has been attributed to him either in respect of eligibility or performance. Next para. The objection raised by the respondents pertains only to an alleged procedural lapse regarding prior approval. Such an objection, even if assumed to exist, cannot be raised to the prejudice of a compassionate appointee who had no role to play in the internal administrative process. The discretion between, next para, the discretion between an illegal appointment and an irregular appointment is well recognized. The present case does not fall within the category of an illegal appointment. There is no allegation of fraud, misrepresentation, absence of sanctioned post, or lack of eligibility. At best, the issue raised is procedural, which cannot override the equities arising out of a compassionate appointment followed by continuous service. Where is that case law you had given? Kamalak Madhasan. In Radhesham Yadav and another versus State of UP and others, reported in 2024 SSC Online SC 10. The apex court has held that state is not justified in abruptly and without anything more stopping the salary when the employee is working and having no fault in the alleged irregularities committed by the appointing authorities. Correct?
Well, only one part I would like to help yourself.
Yes, yes.
That in similar matters, when the salaries were stopped in respect of grade 4 employee or lack of the finance department's approval, the court directed that court held that actually the authority is NCL, principal secretary of the NCLs. So he cannot stop that salary. Ultimately directed the direction part your lordship was.
Yes, please. Yes, please.
Mark portion. This is one of the cases where because of the lack of approval, the salary was not paid. Right.
I think a similar order is good enough. Okay. Then you're right. The apex court in J. N. Srivastava versus Union of India, reported in 1998 9 SSC 559 has held that where an employee has worked or was willing to work and is otherwise deemed to be in service, denial of salary is impermissible and the principles of no work, no pay has no application. The said principle applies with greater force in a case of compassionate appointment where denial of salary defeats the very object of the scheme. Having allowed the petitioner to work and having continued to utilize his service, the respondents cannot withhold salary on a technical plea. Such action is arbitrary and violative of Article 14 and 21 of the Constitution of India. This court is of the considered view that the stoppage of salary of the petitioner who was appointed on compassionate ground and who is continuing in service is wholly unjustified and unsustainable in law. Accordingly, the writ petition is allowed. The respondents are directed to issue approvals and accord sanction for payment of salary to the petitioner with effect
October 2017.
With effect from
October 2017.
October 2017. Since the same has fallen, from the date of that date is available from when it has stopped.
No, I've stated in paragraph.
If you can give me that date.
After paragraph.
I.e. that is the date from which the salary was stopped.
Yes.
I think.
Yes.
What is it mentioned? Just read it out, Chalya.
And pay his salaries from October 17 onwards.
Paragraph 5.
October 17 onwards
The prayer law.
as applicable. Anyway, I'll put it October 17 onwards. Stop. The above directions and actual payment of the petitioner's area salary shall be done by the respondents within a period of no. Do it. 2 months. 2 months, Mr. Das. He wants 3 months. You want. You are not saying anything. This decision says 1 month. So I am striking a balance at 2 months. 2 months. But Mr. Chalya, I'm telling you, I do not want to see a contempt petition after this. I'm giving you 2 months. 2 months from the date of receipt of a certified copy of this order. It is needless to be clarified that the respondent authorities shall ensure regular payment of salary to the petitioner thereafter and so long as he continues in service. It is needless to be also clarified that the respondent authorities shall complete any internal procedural formalities if required, as required, strictly in compliance of the time period stipulated in this order. I am additionally putting that. Anything else you want to say?
Nothing. Lordship was already stated that due approval.
That I have said, but I am saying that they will strictly, because you see next in the contempt, what will be the defense? That so-and-so has sent it to so-and-so, so-and-so is not sending it to so-and-so. This is what is going to come in contempt.
That's all right.
This is what is going on.
700.
Sadly.
700 to 800 contents per year, this school.
I suppose, Mr. Chalya, with your good office, you will ensure that the directions of this court is complied. A person should not be allowed to suffer in this manner.
Deeply obliged.
Here you can এইফালে আছে এইফালে এইখন মাৰ্ক কৰাই দিব কবি হা পিছত ভাল হ'ব কবি এইখন লৈ থৈ দিবলৈ ইয়াত আৰু এইখন মোৰ পিছত ভাল হ'ব দিব
Handling item 52.
Hmm? 52. Yes.
As for last court order, the social welfare department were directed to hand over the relevant documents to us, that is to the social justice and empowerment department within 7 days. But as per the telephonic instructions which I have received today, till date we have not received the files from the social welfare department. In fact, they are also tracing the files. They were also not unable to trace.
So what is to be done, Mr. Das?
It has either your lordship has to keep it pending, lordship. Until and unless we receive the files, relevant files, we are not able to.
Don't know. That's why I'm asking you what is to be done. How much time you need? How will you find out? What are you going to do? What steps are you going to take?
Because this advertisement is done in the year 2015. Everything there at that moment of time. So now the department has been bifurcated, because of which now it is.
No, but then you see, keeping the matter pending,
Yes,
there's
yes.
no problem.
Yes,
But there has to be something constructive done about it.
yes, doctor. Definitely we will
So
take
you have
steps.
to come up with some plan of action,
Definitely.
because we cannot simply be said again on the next day that all efforts fail, nothing has come. Then it will be of no use. At the end of the day, the litigant is before this court and the court has to hear the petition. We can give you another chance. There is no difficulty in giving you that chance. But this should be taken as this is the last chance. So you do whatever is to do to unearth the file.
Because we are continuously writing the.
That's
mails.
what this writing is not good anymore.
Yes. They are
So
not-
you take what more actions needed. Otherwise, if required, we will ask the persons concerned to appear before the court in person and explain why what has happened to the file.
Yes, that can be.
If you fail,
Yes.
if you fail in your efforts,
Yes.
then we will take the ultimate
Yes.
step. So you convey the message
Definitely.
to the officers concerned in all the department concerned, right? Because it has to be found out. Heard Mr. B. Bikhoya, Learned Counsel appearing for the petitioner. Also heard Mr. R.M. Das, Learned Standing Counsel, Department of Social Justice and Empowerment, Government of Assam. Stop. Mr. Das submits that despite several communication for handing over for tracing out the records for selection in question to the department. That is the record, isn't it?
Record is with the social welfare department.
They are not giving you.
No, that's why we are not able to do it.
Okay, you said that.
Yes, Lord.
Then in the morning, someone from social welfare said that they have given it. Who was there from social welfare?
Social welfare now it's
There was-
women and child.
Huh?
Women and child.
Who is appearing for that department? Don't look at Sholia. Sholia doesn't represent all the departments.
Instruction, why is not sent?
Huh? I thought, I'm sorry, Mr. Das, I got an impression that the file is not being traced. You meant to say that despite all these letters to the other department, they are not handing over.
Yes. That has been reflected in the last.
Yes, I've seen. That's why in the morning I asked. When you were not here, your junior was here, I think. I asked no, that's all right. But that time I think Ms. Barwa was there. I think Ms. Barwa was there. She said that it has been given.
No.
That is why I was of the impression that it has been given and Anyway, it appeared to me one that Mr. Das, Mr. Das, by referring to the order of this court dated 30/1/2026, submits that despite his several communication to the Director of Department of Women and Child Development, Government of Assam, for handing over the requisite records, the same has not been given to, the same has not been made available to his office. Mr. So-and-so learned counsel appearing for the Department of Women and Child Welfare seeks a short accommodation to apprise the court in this regard. It is not understood as why, despite of this court's last order dated 30/1/2026, the Department of Women and Child Development has not handed over the requisite records to the Standing Council, Department of Social Justice and Empowerment, Government of Assam. Non-handing over of the requisite record is causing hindrance in disposing of the present writ petition. The officers of the concerned the respondents are directed to take up the matter seriously and do the needful. Relist on such and such date.
Okay.
26.
Hopefully by then you will get it, Mr. Das.
Definitely. Once we get, we will definitely.
Time being item 41.
Yes.
May I please, Your Lordship? Lordship, we're supposed to file our affidavit, Your Lordship. We have sent it for vetting, Your Lordship. We'll file it on Friday, Your Lordship. Because tomorrow they will be sending.
All right. MSD Moshahari Learned Counsel for the contemner number 5 submits that the affidavit in opposition has been sent for vetting and the same is expected to be received back by the end of the week and accordingly shall be within a day or within is expected to be returned by Friday and upon receipt of the same shall be filed. Relist, give a date on such and such date.
Item 43.
Yes, Mr. Talukdar.
As from the last order, on the last occasion.
You both are in a hurry to submit. Let me hear what Mr. Chakrabarti wants to say.
This honorable court directed
Probably
me
on the
to
same page, but anyway.
obtain instruction whether there is any possibility of mediation. I have inquired from ONGC Nazira. They said that this decision has to be taken from headquartered Delhi. So they are expecting a decision to be taken from Delhi, whether ONGC is in a position to agree for sending this matter to mediation.
Mediation. What about you, Mr. Talukdar?
I'm
You're
ready-
agreeable.
I'm ready.
So then should we wait for some time?
At
But-
least 10 days.
One thing I must point out as an officer of the court, not for the petitioner. This is a DP proceeding which culminated into my suspension. Based on the same facts, a CBI case was registered in which a charge sheet has been filed and a
Trial
CBI trial has commenced. So I don't know whether
So,
it can
my
go
lord-
into mediation because the
See, the problem is not, is that in fact that is why a detailed
order
order
was
has
passed
been
on the
given.
last occasion.
Because even I am doing the same thing. In fact, this is similar to the standard of similar to the format of orders that I generally pass in the mediation drive matters. Why I enclose this whole SOP is to give you an idea
To the process.
as to the process because these matters have been identified as per this SOP. Now, your issue that is involved in your writ petition is covered under this.
Yes.
Now, we don't know the facts. You both are the master of the facts of your case. So, it is up to you both to tell the court whether you both are agreeable or you're not agreeable. If you both are agreeable, we'll send it. If you're not agreeable, we'll not send it. So you are saying you're agreeable. He's saying he needs a little bit more time.
Because ONGC
So
Nazira cannot-
either on that ground, I give you time. And if you are saying you don't want time, then we don't need that
No, I'm only
instruction.
pointing out the
So,
underlying.
Mr. Talukdar, I have made myself clear.
I'm,
If you're agreeable, you're agreeable. If you're not agreeable, say you're not agreeable.
we are petitioners. Otherwise.
Heard Mr. K. Talukdar, learned counsel appearing for the petitioner. Also heard Mr. S. Chakraborty, learned counsel appearing on behalf of the respondent ONGC. Mr. Chakraborty seeks further 10 days time to obtain the instruction from the respondent ONGC as regards whether they are agreeable to place the instant matter before the mediation center. Mr. Talukdar, however, submits that the petitioner has no objection. No objection, the petitioner is willing to. Is this already recorded? No, na?
No.
Is willing and ready for the matter to be placed before the mediation center. Released on such and such date.
Item 44.
Yes.
BTC instruction is required, Your Honor.
Sorry.
BTC's instruction is.
BTC. Yes, where is BTC?
Yeah, waiting instructions.
What instructions are you waiting for?
As per the office note reveals, the notice has been already,
Huh?
service has been already completed, so.
So you are waiting for what instruction? For instruction on service? What instruction are you waiting for? You're appearing for the state, right? State, isn't it? And you don't know. What instructions? What instructions are you waiting for, ma'am?
Your Lordship, I'll have to take instruction from my senior. She's not.
No, but then this is not how the standing councils operate in this court. If you're appearing on behalf of the standing council, if you have been sent for seeking time, you must know. Just do not come to the court and seek time. You must take some responsibility. You are an officer of the court. Please be mindful of your position. Yes or no? State councils, whoever is representing for state councils, standing councils should be of more responsibility. You all are not. Apart from being officers of the court, you're representing the state in these matters. You're answerable. Yes.
I'm a Jaidas. On behalf of Arden.
How much time you need?
Lordship, 2 weeks time may be granted to us.
Sorry?
2 weeks time may be granted to us.
What is the matter?
My appointment was cancelled without any giving notice.
Heard MS? J. Das, Learned
On
Counsel.
behalf of Arden.
Huh?
On behalf of.
J.
Arden.
Das, Learned Counsel appearing for the petitioner on behalf of Koidiba. Give your appearances. As prayed for on behalf of BTC, list after on such and such date to enable the BTC respondents to file their affidavit in opposition in the matter. But have they not filed their affidavit? You also don't know. It is unfortunate that upon posing a query as regards who are the respondents who have filed and whether the BTC has filed the requisite affidavit or not, neither the counsel representing the petitioner nor the counsels appearing on behalf of the respondent, including BTC, has the aforesaid information. In fact, the standing counsel of BTC is not present and a junior advocate has been sent before the court who upon being yes, why are you interfering now when the order is being passed? You've been sitting there, this court has noticed. If you wanted to come and rescue your friend, you could have done that previously. Why is that you're interfering when the order is being passed? Please be mindful. You are appearing on behalf of the standing counsel. Are you a standing counsel?
Lordship.
So if you are a standing counsel of BTC, then why are you sitting behind?
Lordship, I'm not assigned with this.
See, I am
matter.
not concerned with all these questions. You are a standing counsel of BTC?
Yes, my lord, I am.
You are, and she is also from your chamber?
Lord,
Yes or no?
Lordship,
She is
please
from
be
your
assigned,
chamber?
sir.
She is from your chamber?
Lordship,
Please take some responsibilities if you are a standing counsel. These matters are not fixed today merely for taking time.
I understand,
And times will not be given as a matter of course.
Since-
Then these matters can be placed before a Lawazima court.
since you
These
were-
matters are placed before a judicial court, a constitutional court. And please be mindful. Don't just come up and just speak. An order is getting dictated. You want to say something, you say it. This court is always accommodating you all, but there is a way.
we are
You
grateful.
cannot take it for granted.
Lordship, there is an order.
Can
my
you
lord.
cut it, yeah? And how much time do you need? Have you filed your affidavit?
No, my-
Do you have that idea or you don't? Because I find that there are 3-4 affidavit oppositions already filed. Who has filed these affidavits?
Lordship, only I have the instruction that we have already, as per our submissions made by the earlier council, there is an order, my lord. Previous order where it says that, my lord, without the leave of this honorable court, no provincialization may be given either to the respondent or the petitioner, my lord. There is an order, my lord, order dated
8/4/2024.
Lordship.
Yes.
That is why, my lord, that was upon the previous instruction being placed by the earlier council, my lord. And thereafter, no such instruction, updated instruction is there with us, my lord.
So you want that instruction. See, you know it also.
Yes.
You
That
know
much-
it.
That much I have.
See, Miss Counsel,
Lordship.
I don't need to advise you how you are going to do your work. You are a standing counsel of BTC.
I am.
You were sitting in the court while a junior counsel has been asked to seek an adjournment, who doesn't even know what was the last order passed, who doesn't even know what instructions is required to be
That-
sought. She is not even given, it's not her fault because she has not been given the proper information. In fact, for these matters, the standing counsel should come. Why these proxy counsel? She is not a standing counsel of BTC. I could have understood that she is trying to fill up a gap when a counsel is on legs. But when the standing counsel is sitting inside the courtroom, why is she being asking time? You know the matter, you know everything. Despite that, you are sitting behind.
Lordship, I was not assigned with this matter.
In my court, please don't do this again. Please take responsibility. If you are a standing counsel, please take responsibility. Your name to Lola. Please give your appearances and as sought for by MS so-and-so, learned standing counsel BTC, the matter stands to such and such date to obtain instruction in terms of the court's last order dated 8/4/2024.
I'm obliged.
Item 46 and 47.
In this
Yes, Mr.
cases, we have filed the affidavit in item 46. The rejoinder we have filed to the affidavit filed by the state authorities. So now the matter can be taken up for admission, madam.
Matter is ready.
No, reading is complete. In item 46 is
So we'll have it fixed for admission.
Admission, madam.
I am appearing for private respondent number 8.
You want to file something?
In the meantime, I'll file letter.
So I'll have it posted for admission. Heard Mr. Count, S. Count, na?
Yes, come on.
Learned counsel appearing for the petitioner. Also heard Mr. A. Chakraborty, learned counsel appearing for
1, 2,
respondent number 1,
and 4 lordship.
1,
1, 2, 3, and 4 lordship.
1, 2, 3, 4, and Mr.
Private respondent 8 Milord MK Das.
Mr. M.K. Das, learned counsel appearing for respondent number
8 Milord.
only 8, na? Respondent number 8. Matter. But you have not filed your return in the meantime. So why don't you file it first? It's in the order column right now, isn't it?
Because on the last occasion, they also sought time to file.
Who?
Private
8.
respondents.
Not in
They did not sought. This court said if
So
you
yes,
advise.
If so advise.
because there are other
Are you filing or not?
filing.
Mr. So-and-so seeks a short accommodation to file affidavit in opposition in the matter. Prayer is not opposed. Released on such and such date. Give a short date. March. You file it by then. Released on such and such date. Correct. After that, because you see, Mr. Khan, you might have to file a rejoinder. We don't know what is going to come. So if I fix it for admission, again, the matter has to come back to the order column. No. You finish the pleadings and then we'll fix it for here. Yes, Mr. Bharadwaj.
There was an interim order granted by this court. I was not allowed to continue as a professor in the college by the principal. I approached this court. This court granted an interim order allowing me to continue. Now service was affected over the principal. Multiple times I tried, finally it was served. That order is also there. Now again, the director writes to the principal that so-and-so drop teachers should not be allowed to join in their respective colleges. But I am in a different footing, having the advantage of the interim order of this court. The principal, despite knowing about the pendency of this case, neither did he allow me to join after the interim. And again, he gives a...
Who is there for the respondents?
The department is there and the principal will be represented by a private counsel because the department counsel will represent.
Who is that? R4?
Yes, ma'am.
R4 service is complete.
Complete, ma'am.
But only recently, I think.
After filing of the IA, this court again issued notice through the police station.
So what is to be done now?
This is a clear case of contempt, but without going into that, madam, I'm seeking a direction towards the director. If the director writes to the principal, I allow this lady to join me.
No, but where is the director? Department is not here. Secondary education, Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council. No one is here. Where are the respondents? Heard Mr. P. Bharadwaj, Learned Counsel, appearing for the applicant. None appears for the respondents on call. Office note dated 10/2/2026 indicates that service in respect of respondent number 4 stands complete. In view of non-appearance of the standing counsels appearing for respondents, department, i.e. Secondary Education Department and Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council, the matter could not be proceeded today. Relist on such and such date. It is needless to be clarified that on the next date of listing, in the event there is no representation on behalf of the respondents, the matter shall proceed in accordance with law.
49.
Lordship, item 49, I am seeking a accommodation on behalf of my colleague, Mr. M.R. Adhikari. Lordship, his father is not eating well. Therefore, he has not been able to come.
On behalf of whom?
Mr. M.R. Adhikari, Lordship, he is looking after the matter.
This is 49. You are not in 49.
This is allotted to Mr. Adhikari, Lordship.
Oh, acha, acha. Okay. And heard Mr.
I'm MP Sharma.
MP Sharma, Learned Counsel, appearing for the applicant. Also heard Mr. R.K.D. Chaudhary, Learned
Yes.
DYSGI. Mr. So-and-so submits that on behalf of the central government, Mr. M.R. Adhikari is handling the brief. However, today, due to a medical condition of his father, he is not present in the court. Considering the aforesaid, the matter stands adjourned to such and such date.
It will be after 10 days, sir.
This is again your matter.
Lordship, this is.
Yes,
against the
yes,
fate of
Mr.
some
Fukan.
Here, Lordship, this is a matter relating to appointment as a assistant librarian, Lordship. My contention is that the selected candidate did not have the basic qualification, Lordship. Now, the respondent number 1 and 3 have filed their affidavits, Lordship. 4 is the person who has been appointed. Till now, nobody has appeared, although service has been effected. So therefore, I pray, Lordship, that matter may be listed for admission. If they want to come in, then that's okay, but it cannot be delayed in further, Lordship.
They can file the reply also, ma'am, to our affidavit.
Their affidavit contains nothing, everything matter of record.
So then, if, who has to file? 4.
4 will be the contesting
Who is the
respondent.
4?
Private respondent.
He's not before the court.
It's not before,
Then
before the court.
What can be done? Service is complete.
Service is
If
complete.
he's not coming, we can't wait for him.
That is why, Lordship, I
So then,
One chance may be given, my lord, till the next date.
huh?
One chance may be
don't
given to
know
the.
how he is making a prayer.
No, but otherwise pleadings complete. You are not filing reply. All right.
It won't be necessary, Lordship.
Very well. Heard Mr. R.K.D. Chaudhary, Learned Counsel appearing for the petitioner. Also heard Mr. A. Fukan, Learned Standing Counsel,
GAD.
GAD. It appears that despite service being completed, there is no appearance on behalf of the private respondent number 4. It further appears that the GAD, that the GAD, respondent GAD has already filed their affidavit. Mr. Chaudhary submits that no rejoinder to the said affidavit is necessary. It is going to be filed. List the matter for admission on such and such date.
We have also.
So 3 you go, 3 and 4 to department file course and take his name.
Item 51.
Okay.
May I please, Your Lordship? A matter relating to family pension of unmarried daughter,
Yes.
and service is actually complete, and matter is very,
Short.
yes. And the thing is that since 2022, the proceeding is, the correspondence is going on between the SBI and the Accountant General and the Treasury, and I am not given any benefit, my lord. Kindly come to page number 19, Annexure 3. It is the letter of 2022,
Annexure?
Annexure 3,
No, page
page 19.
19.
Yes. Issued by the DIG of police to the, my lord, Accountant General,
1 second.
page 19. So as per this order, formalities were going on. Thereafter, my lord, kindly come to page number 20. Annexure 4. Some documents required: indemnity bond, affidavit, non-marriage certificate, non-employment certificate. Page 20, my lord.
Yeah.
It is, the earlier one is of 22, this is of 24. The 2 years they are already passed. So even then I submitted the documents. Thereafter, my lord, kindly come to page number 21. This is a letter issued by Treasury officer to the branch manager seeking the last disbursal portion of PPO of the father of the petitioner who died earlier. Thereafter, his wife, means the mother of the petitioner, got the pension. She also died. So the petitioner became unmarried and unemployed. Therefore, this thing is going on. And against this, my lord, the payment certificate was sought for. And thereafter, my lord, kindly come to the page 22.
What is this stand? Why affidavit has been not filed? Why?
I am for the respondent number 7, Lordship.
If you not interested in filing affidavit, I'm allowing the petition.
Lordship, just for a moment. I'm
No, but are you filing an affidavit or not?
filing affidavit.
Then why are you not asking for the time? If you have to file your written.
No, just may I submit, Joe?
Yes.
May I submit it? Just before filing, I
No,
was.
this court shall definitely give you an audience, but you complete the proceedings. How will the hearing, how do you want this court to hear this matter if you are not going to file your affidavit?
Okay.
If you are filing affidavit, please say so. Without wasting time, I will give you that. Because the 25 matters, so we'll give you one chance.
Yes.
In fact, today is the first time the matter has come after notice.
Yes.
So that is why he is, you see, if you want, I can dispose it now.
No.
They have to file the return. They are not giving you. We don't know why they are not giving. You want it to be taken by way of surprise because it happens so that if this if tomorrow, if suppose after hearing I give a judgment against you, then you will go to the division bench and you will say, ki, well, it was disposed of on the first day. An affidavit was also not filed. I did not even get a chance to reply. These are these 10. Sometimes you all take. Then
Let them.
why are you not allowing them? This is the first time it has come after writ notice.
Let the treasury also file affidavit.
All have to file.
Yes.
And it has to be filed by the next date. I'm not giving you more time. The matter is serious. Heard Mr. D.K. Nath, Learned Counsel for the petitioner, also heard Mr.
KK Nandi for
K.K.
respondent number
Nandi, Learned Counsel appearing for
respondent number 7.
respondent number 7, Mr.
C. Borua on behalf of Mr. C. Borua for respondent number 8.
and Miss and Mr. Chalia. Where are you hiding? Respondent number 5. The learned counsel is appearing for the respondent seeks short accommodation for filing returns in the matter. Prayer is allowed released on such and such date. It is needless to be clarified that since the issue involved in the writ petition is non-release of the petitioner's family pension as unmarried dependent daughter, the respondents shall positively file their respective return by the next date of listing. I expect that nobody will seek time on the next date. Please do your needful. Do not wait for the other department to file their response and then go through and file yours. That process goes on for months. So you file whatever your respective stand is. I don't think there is any difficulty in doing that.
Pay for a date.
Given, date is given.
Supplementary list item number 55.
Yes.
Nothing similar.
Affidavit.
Last occasion, lots.
Affidavit, last occasion was the notice date.
Yes.
Issued
lots of,
notice.
Instructions also. Whether
Yes, that's why I'm
referendum-
asking. What about the instructions? What about your...
Instructions I have received, Lordship.
So what do you want to do?
Only one line, Lordship, instruction.
No, I don't know that is your instruction.
File a affidavit, Lordship.
Uh,
Bring it on record.
heard Mr.
Islam.
Huh?
Islam.
J. Islam, Learned Counsel appearing for the petitioner. Also heard MS.
D. Bora.
D. Bora, Learned Counsel appearing for
Respondent
Learning
number 7.
Standing Counsel, Health Department, Respondent 7,
7.
MS.
Lordship,
Huh?
Lordship, I am appearing for respondent number 8.
Your name.
R. Khan.
MS R. Khan, Learned Counsel appearing on behalf of respondent number 8, Mr. A. Chakraborty,
1 to 6.
respondent number 1 to 6, as you're appearing as government counsel.
Lots.
Government counsel. So all of you are filing? You're not filing?
Not filing, Lordship.
No,
I file.
you're not filing?
Lordship, today we will file a wakalatnama.
So would you be filing an affidavit or not?
Fine.
তেওঁৰ ওকালতনামাটো চাগে নাথাকিব পাৰে তেখেতৰ কথাত কৈ দিব so and so submits that she has filed her power on in respect of respondent number 7 na 8 today let registry verify and place the same on record কৰি দিব হা and তাৰ পিছত সবৰে বাকিখিনি that respondents 2 weeks time for filing their respective returns, give a date, released on such and such date. Done?
This is the